abalimi bande bagendrete gutumika na kubaletera ligesa linene na Mildred Momanyi
igombwatie imeyo moroberi boboremi nobonda oyogo tera botambiri tukolia maine ense monenu sugo ikachinsa ibere chamagoroba ndocho koletera amangana mange igoro yoboremi nande nigongo gotebyanga tigane irio tware oboremo bonene elindo onyara ko bagokora oboremi nabo gotwara ikigingege sinini kurinde okoro bogi oboremi bosomete nande nyogotete ndagere yetio kebuya elinde linayo igwe obote bwoko yeria endagere yo niganeti egetunguo kole para igochigwerte nganyare boyekire chinsaga
oboremi nobonda Jumanne chinsa ibere chabutuko no moiroroye ritukuria Jumatano chinsa isano ni mochia mugaso na Mildred Momanyi
naro producer yane mbwati to ande bakasomore mimbo boli na ki akora mabera yanyara ko bagwansa iga
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi omurobiri ukubwatia nigobekirwe igoro y'imyaka 13 naigo abalinse y'emyaka eyo nigo balinse y'amorokeryo y'abayibuli
Biamono kigimo mwanchwa omorigeria na boigo motigereri bu television ya Ndizi TV imarago bengia ndo sia soberete ekero charagire chinse ibiri chabono mugoroba igire chinse choro gongorwa Afrika ya mocha biamono kigima bunere butambe no manyete ekero charagire lituko rijmo mosi chinse ibiri chabotuko weka chinse nyene kinga kichumuro bilyo abweke umbu ugia siasa kuruega television ya Ndizi TV sto kwa na mangana mange egati yabo amangana alia asiasa makongo kabisa na alia berega korekana kurwa chinse mochonsi ime yorogonko rwagusi na boyone chinse nyuse mochiria chitweta naine biamano kigima sonsi kurutwa chagete mambia ramwe dia lengeli tukulie sabato na manga korekanide bande bande kanisa bande bale ngisiko kurchise au nabasaki baitomba soka isiko ukoletera mangana magia ikobono chikora gachinse seto nyarongo gosomera tura mangana magia asenchira endonge kigima elinde omanye biamono kigima bono nigo omogani ona ikirega igakigima ntagite tokore gento gikorukunga to chake elinde turakwanira litukuria rero ndine numweshimiwa engineer Justus Muchoge oyo no mwana siasa kuroro gongorwa ito rwagusi county ya Kisii kurwa kitutu chache South na politiki rogo kyobo bunge na ende bono akante birinde no tigire timenye tigo se amangana ina rabu atranitia go se bono irandire na inde na regeti bono ngomo bolinde ilinda IRS vya kabisa mheshimiwa
ndia muno muralia
waire vya
akrimbia bono
patuka mangi
ndia muno lakini saina ro
na 200
biande
nkale sana tu alingi naega kaito mwako alire
is more than a year
yeah mwako alire quite a long time
trende saina ro na tubito
yes
tuli ayodende tukuna kukwenya abantu baminda
okay mbia tuli
that's good
timbo atiande na yorantebi
njimbiande Kenya itutuligerereti
okay
na Kisii county itutuligerereti
yeah
tukumanya ngiyekuru ngiyeguchi
aigo mbia kabisa timbo atiande mbia tole bono kurtua tendra manga endereire serikali yeye yasoeto bisigocha ebintu bingi bya endereire paka bonika tikatwango turachakira singe jura mangana siasa to kwandira kuru tuchakire chi county gotira so far 2 years down the line no mwako to calendar years no mwako to gochoso kolengana naje ne kyura rate amangana development ase mo chi county tuchakira no kuru ward level gotira county ya Kisii ne county ya Nyamira eliore so conversant na to kwalna one ya Kisii so far in terms of development kuru kenyoro korwa ne the surrounding no roje chi ward gotira na kimto bya endelere ku kaponiga ile ngora aba rate ku ikaponiga
well nimayete county njibwato bokong they are not getting money from the national government
yeah
bokong bumboro but then the council of governors so they should not have an excuse you can kwana na mbara akora kende kusia matukonko gendari
yeah
well ase nchakire kuri ward yane gento
ya onyantie ne kigo nyatieko
nyatieko wot
yes good
sai
ngumba enya koe ne nyatieko ndia mana
awon wa mbona bongo ngutirimo kana
magoro igerio gai kurugai gangange
so again tunaro rige county ase wodiane ni chipara iverisatu chabi kwe maram chiro iverisatu cheigwiwe starabi kwe maram
okay
aende ngachanka kaiwo mugavana naje tseitunya tiekari
yes
wakabeka manganasi kwirende je pasari
yeah
machinari bone gari naro setiwa ati wonu ngwidina nasari gete kienya chifrani tende yi that's the story for another day
okay
so kuwa se body and that's what I've seen what ya na kwa ya tusinye indende gakara no tuta
yeah
literally na rege ntanaro roro ni chipara iverisa
okay
chiabe kure mara sabu na story sabu chiuroga ne nere ku watu wichimate kaiga tindara machi tindara classes via
ECDA even if you went to go to county
na via that's what I've said
yeah
tindara kendes mwecho uli skuru yani tindara kende nyatieko tindara kende evatensali seito so literally or na assuming na tinda biroro it means there are the places na robi kole diki
mbio
ai ba ndi timbu ati full information inda tena na atali osembo vasi na atali osembo machoge na robi mbiro osembi kole diki
but what I know project take obishwa the same way yoro kibaki akoleta magendero it was all over everybody knew take over ekiagara most of the development chigo korwa say a county no mugavana gokora whether message ward through him chibese cha by msimba kwa any kit so they could not be hidden
tuwa kibo maene responsibility yo mchumbe yo MCA gasi yabo ni yo oversight
yo kayo
gasi yabo ni yo represent wananchi
yeah
gasi yabo kwa oversight representation what is another registration
registration good
barosi o machikali bylaws chakisi county
yes
among barosi budget budget yikro banyero sino wamangete create what to have call neke
yes
but the person who implement ya budget is the executive
yes yuru mugavana
timu yaye
oh good
oni kumo MC atakire wakora ukubwate karatasi yi budget ya mtu aete nursery school ya gachwe ya mwasi nero ngitara gachiro twatebete amache abekwe ewodi yabogeka usiniri yanyu
okay
amache nakoreki
naro gostayo
chibese chibekiro tara akorekana gasi why tendering process again that was tendering tarako why tarako those are the questions when the ones akuboria the executive mugavana na minister cha but MCA was umuchumba wabegasi yabo no korosia budget yo baike budget yo wamane wanza
kubwata kurumagana gose ngabye ikire
korekana lanzi wakiriogi mbabona tikogenda korara ni gavana egere barorekana abantu abayabanze kwegwicyara abe
bamubwata kurumahega
gasi yabo yo hakikisha kwamba naki budget barosetie yabiri mbrime
ya ikira niwe so far we can't blame MCS
you can blame them for example bachira se wana inchi barote biwae gendo baide tie budget getara korokana you see onye mwete tie budget moros chi para ibirisa te wodi yao pare chinchira rosiwa
bakabona
responsibility no benda se wana inchi ne budget obatevi ntu aite tie budget ye na etirie pare rosiwe na pare ibine bitu abita se budget bono umuntu tararo sino mugo no mugabo it is your responsibility bono kugenda se ministerial in charge ye para mo bolingi ko gara pare kiani gitara
rosiwe
you can also make an appointment korore mugabana mo bolina ki aibona gavana chief of executive lende we county ke tu avege to
yes
inke ko gara gitara ko
leka
e kalmaro na bia kongre te kivinte via si assembly leto mujadala specific case
mugabana usinyiriko kirania bintu birakorekana
mumo iriberera mukuru orumira nenkai ebichichi mwanza bategwa na inji ntwaete tieke mugabana tara
osinyirwe emirimo
tara implement sababu tara implement ni tumanyite twamororera in private as office twamororera twagambira as assembly but ndoro kigende kegakora
yekorekana
ida bona ryo kuri present wananchi na ryo kuire report ya wananchi otherwise yokire wananchi bakomena nayo tarako
akero uri ko rusiko ko maite you are a politician na ngorige riole do you think ne chi county jito ngokora kire ya nyamira nkwaramba takakobe ko mugabana isiko lakini mbaba successful kisi ko ikiraboni gamba gandumne kigyo gotaka komina onyega sige gokorekana gusonye tai gokorekana no kagetenga na probumbale ase nkirerengia onye koroji na maendeleo tarakorekana are they in the right track
shida tu watene yemo na ende shida ye na wanda tebe pili na wa MCOs dei na gavana shida ye na wananchi
abananchi bukabanyane
bari to wakachikura tiba itekina yebeke sike busi ti quality umuntu yutokochora buno uma MCA
yes
umuntu utokochora buna umuchumbe emyaka iringa kwa mumanyire inakikwa check ye character yaye
integrity chapter 6
was integrity kia bwate was how nakikwa mumanyire ara represent umuntu abasikimuka from nowhere aje no bosumuli bobero botataita na nekenyoro mama yibura ose motebesa yo yabita kanyoro kuri kane n'ubugambi tutayitubira nekenyoro geito ose bobe kenyoro geito mo umuntu arafu mambi ayimo mena pro mwanya ana kikumbe ne mistake mwakarete
to abegete ba
the responsibility yogo chora abagambi okwende bakwate integrity bakwende to represent wananchi bakwate birengere bya mwanya by'abantu nintu bakwaga
titika nguvuli mwishimiwa umanyete sometimes na kong ese point yokwana ne yes ne valid lakini na kong umwana inchi umanyete ga alinya tie koime kwarire umuntu ukiri ko buri obubunge nabwate capacity yo kumanya umuntu yo kiagara abantu mbara kanyara amete na America ojija gose 6 months to election kwarire umuntu amenyete gose ni gasi agakorire ministry gete gose ne agakora serikali no amenyete miaka yonsi mitinyirie tano begire aki towards election montati kanemeremo uminyoke ekenyoro gaiga na abuguri tibesa ibire kuru serikali kinganiga umwana inchi erabona hagocha the highest bidder tabwa tinga kicho kurigereria no kagetenga nduko koneka
abuno emechandiri ayo mwana inchi uyo kurana shiringi cha misine kwa myokera to kuburi swali dinde kirembe gasi tokolekaniti asikyo kuburi gekogera mwakura neto no muntu uriyo kwa shiringi ya misine usa shiringi 100 yes sometimes ito kwa nambia oyo kurwa civil service usurura serious tari mogeni na ibuira at least kinyoroge na akine tage kana emyaka 25 akamana gosoka gujiziko gomwa mumanyete
kurma pema no ni familia yangu kwa ne kere nchiragete
ya kabere no ene kare gasi tamini tibo konyora amenyete gasi yusuka akore gasi ne ruso mumasa amenyeto atana goja so
ngochari abantu basobo mbaro ngukwane kabari
understand ki character yaye bamanyite kyagendete
ngiye ko era ko umuntu akonyuma batutai no muchuri ngosoka bari kabere to nyuamo lakini gego gikenga ki yechikura aramba totebi
ejire bichata to tegeko
kera bokani kuno muchuri oro to soko nyumo bantu barali bagosoka gateto lakini gego chikura bakira asenge jibasa chikurwali
I think generally the minds cyangwa abantu abange bari bagwate criminal mind y'abantu abange
lakini rende umwana inchi nabegete gatekeepers ororo bakobwenete komurinde temberemeye ndubwate IBC ine egente getangani ndubwate KRA ndubwate NC easy DCI or something abana bantu bigire gatekeepers bararia obando toteneki aga KRA nyarebe oyo tarakana bintu bya ebese cyaye bijya gose natumete gutakana ebanko ikobono twamukanyirega IBC chega tebe na muntu yo kumurira chapter 6 titled
ekero amachikaro setiwe 2010 ya 2010 abantu babetene ibasha bali barose cyamachiko na abanya begite ibona ki chapter 6 ya beki bororo ekonye wananchi bamanyete no muntu ko yate wakana tax mundu nasta gituna wati kile kio webi akorete gento gete tabase ko bakiria lakini bakamana gutigera wananchi amini bagatigera ababunge erigwe yoko genda parliament barosi act which go actualize chapter 6 of the constitution.
Okay.
Ekero banye tigayo abachumbe bagenda parliament which go itibon krosi active the which go act
gutiko gende kikorekane bono
bunita kire kanyora abachumbe bali abange ose 90% bons bina baibi bons bimba bwatebi
ebina
abande niki fraudista bakamanya bakrosi richi
liyo chiko batacha
liyo chiko batanga gekagera bakrosi richiko liyo chiko kuba beba iye koro kina ki umuntu monyora no gwate kina banye kine gitora asibwa monyore kina waiti wali panya waiti ukoti batarona no gwata mawaso sibwe na soronga aswa piri nende na bokoirana nendo gendera na siasa. That's why one in parliament, one the current parliament to gwate abantu basibire myaka 67 abantu basibire myaka
akino balime abantu bayita abantu bayibete bintu
abantu bagwate bina lakini sino abakarte
no balime
and how do you expect umuntu gwate kina kiamada araro siriji kurwe ko umuntu mada
teko nyalekana
na kyora nyoro umuntu ukoiba kubasega asi bitu kubasega asi ari gukora usibona ngo ibire CDF abwate kina koti nenda gikoro siri kigo
bigo kumusiba
tebo n'umuntu kiwastakiwe tobasukubura kigo
teko
nyalekana so ri kibundi rinaki constitution yaito tubwenda kwenye review constitution yero siwe minus the abantu ba parliament alafu wananchi bagende referendum banyetie ekigutwara maino
ajara nyali koroma
tiga chapter 6 yeye
etwara chinguru
na yatakire
tiganko boli do you think nga court nere ya the weakest link asugurwa ni corruption?
Well, asina nda 50-50 asina 50-50 tali court as a whole court ya the weakest ne court ili bakuru ke Supreme Court na Court of Appeal lakini chichi magistrate yeji ichi high court yeji I think according to me I'm not a lawyer lakini ne binte binge nkoro chi high court chiwetia na bakonya chiete bintu bire pro people court section ye court ili kolete mechana ne appeal ne ye mugoroka ya mother come mugoroke
Supreme Court
those are the linkest because na abantu bali basibiru bagwate bina babekirwo ki appeal ne kiko babeka isiko bandi bagende Supreme Court yababe babeka isiko so amachika mange kere high court ya etiri iki kindi kigororo
na kigikoje
kiguje kiasari
okay
ene kiguje actually sakubuli abakenya bono ene sakubuli ben lawyers many people have lost confidence with the Supreme Court and the Court of Appeal. Many lawyers, they have not lost confidence in the High Court. Lakini the Appeal Court and the Supreme Court, abanta bangimba wate issues na warabu.
Okay, tuire ne asamangana development. Into mochie kwerende, into mochie abagavana kiagara to some extent kirana lingina ba MCA ga gavana prepare kontebinga. Na bakonya warabatara akanu chibese ono mutinyu kyanda dole kuru mutinyu osaba bakabese richibese ku chibengi cyo gwakana bakoli emeremo kwarori mbagwata madeni batara akana
county cyakabese na madeni ekindi kibatigete yo
batara bo na kingo debi
akamemeshara lakini otherwise
bakabese to mutinyu gatano mutinyu nane bado ande bakabesa mutinyu kyanda narno cyo kabesa
tikamkoboli account nere go complain chibese chumwa ko era financial year pako mutinyo sta 30 June nero etara akanu chibese kia
ya ba kaniro most of them
so onye ba akanu chibese icho igo mbagu atene deni ya the previous year is that correct
yeah
ya kabere igo nangano na madeni ons bimba akanete because no ko genda spate budget ni program onye roseti no ai kwa cherere twekero wachinyorete ngwa kaneta madeni so count to when to deni unless pending bills kiti previous miaka iri bakuna utungaini so ichi windi na ki chibese chumwa ko yera mbaka ni regions so the be no deni
okay
bogone tora deni including yamangana each project bakorete indo kwenda kumenya ki chi project chumwa ko 2024 2025 ko yo chagite from 1st of July chi project chine jitatra take off because bataranyo la chibe imeshara nere imiti nere yetatu batara evire tura teweke ko yombono ko yo gatatu nere batara kanu chibese bateve ne meshara tra koraki batara but in terms of project they should have now started giving out those projects here so because project did you correct and account
okay
so long as the budget with the control of budget on your budget the control of budget now batake ile cover responsible uchaga ku implement
okay
because normally never need you contractor chinyinge o kolega shumana waka
okay
yes so igomba basikoteba to tebena ni we cannot blame the national government for delaying ochererwa obachibe
jibesa okay
lakini barada tina bairu chireres chita bwenre tina bakwa mbono ndochi mchataro gendra to bataita okay jibesa county 400 billion to 308
I think the financial bill
budino kokora chibesa county benete kwa chibesa 400 billion batigana na mangana mange eyo
akini excuses bakuri
ekare chibesa serikali chirego 85% ni chinyinge these are lot of money when budget ya toilet problem the problem ya national government they had nothing to do with the county government
okay
yes
nda skogucha iga ndasukie microphone yeye montraro kontebina igerare kidogo abunka tembiere Wycliffe Mose buongono kurwanya koe na tubaligeretie engineer Mojoge sauti yake iko chini kidogo biamono timanyiti Abigail na bogo totebine liogiri abere bya kidogo igakere mike yokoroka aya liogidoje na ligererie kwende yorale go sena kiera ningi wete na ngukwana le bya kabisa ora ligererie orale kuru abuna kiliogiri oseli abere bya oseli achire bya osendira ndirabo bya na anyorere kwende yao Wycliffe Mose SMS yao na nyore na yo nyokobwate libori lindo tutakoboria mbiamano kigima igo so agaria YouTube no tole tonyore buna Ndizi TV news YouTube lindo origere kurwo Facebook okwanda Facebook yane John Kebati linde bono origererie kurwo roro no mbegete ekwerende ngima kabisa na bukurigeria kurwo roro linde obeke ujumbe yao na inche nyinyorega nyokobwate ngane nde onsi elia otagete gukwana amona intwe marogo ya bona bia mono kigima ngo tugende tukwana igoro asamangana ya development yeji county wikira boniga abagabana mbate takotebanga CDF erusu gwororo ekiregente kia kwanu na nebunge yani ne koti go yateba nere illegal go seteri constitutional etakire ndikoraki Abigail ndetra ni kalamu go janeli sakara kabisa iga arsenal tutate ko likaga iga mbia mono ekero county yani koti yateba nga by 2026 June something da mbaje baru siororo CDF lakini kera babunge bari go kwana alise bunge go bagateba nga baro jamalikayo malikayo tagiale koti malikayo ale aye eji county chikotabana kuna kukinzana say in terms of doing development aye muna kwaligiriri kurwa mwaka bwikiri bwibere na isato nka na ibere abusamwe ekero mweshimwa Kibaki achete na CDF ya sagete gwikarboni close to 20 years in fact 20 years ichaetire nkiya kolire nainde izitinga egego kurusu gwororo egego kurusu kwa magoko yaba bunge ebe kwa sama magoko yaba governor. What do you understand?
I don't think kunye state from the word go. Timendi go se sauti ya nea
vile. Mier, angonte vile.
To state from the word go. Mche. Atemire sana kwa bumu chumbo kitutu jaje sauti.
Yes.
Nimanyete ababunga abange mbai wataka kuiguna CDF rules go. But according to me, CDF tukwende tukobe kwa asaba chumbe.
Okay.
CDF tukwende tukobe kwa asaba chumbe. And I still tick and I accept and then go support your code. Number one, what a role you chumbe ninki. CDF,
Yeah, good. Kwa good. Rio giambia le.
CDF, a role you chumbe ninki. You what the 3 roles as per the constitution.
Legislative.
Kwa arosha majiko. I represent you na inchi. I oversight the national government. Our own constitution, is established in the Togoruka 2 levels of government.
Yes.
The national
And
the
county government.
County government. The national, what the chief executive, Oguruke president.
A president.
With the entire structures, just like
Yes,
the county government, they were the governor with all the structures. Chief minister chair, principal secretary chair, na civil service ya.
Yeah.
A constitution ya kawasia, ekatwara the 3 levels of government.
Yes.
Katwara the
Executive, katwara.
the judiciary,
Na legislature, yeah, your parliament.
The responsibility of legislature here, the parliament, no oversight the national
Government, yeah.
So, onye chibese chikurua from the national government, che umuchumbe acha kuchitumia on the ground. Umuku oversight umuchumbe.
Ntobwatie committee li etneta mangana CDF.
You know that committee ne yo muchumbe. Umuchumbe ne rokoroshia committee ya. Umuchumbe ne rokubeka chairman ni secretary na bintu biri bya ebyonsi. Umuchumbe kana akore campaign ya batana ngo jabaso umuchumbe ayina ngo kubeka CDF chairman. Ayina ngo kubeka nyareba ayina ngo kubeka gento gete. That is totally irresponsible yo muchumbe. Umuchumbe onye tutagitense yebe buya. Umuchumbe tigatwara kiroro kiri isato.
Chioka.
Tabasi kubwate gento gekuru kwebese.
Omaite tango naye no mujumbore indi ntubieta.
You know my school of thought ya politics different. I never
wanted
to touch that
money.
Yes. Tani rasi makiro mujumbo kogendo ni chibesi kyatagite. Abachumbe bari tofauti. Mchembo choge na kwa mujumbe na abacha kwa tofauti. Because I went through the school of my mentor was the late George Anyona and I knew how Anyona was doing his politics. Tani rasi manaje kwa mchumbe. In fact, I've always been telling my friends, nzale kwa mchumbe parliament ngitaka na kwa alusion CDF. But ntoliko taba CDF yerusu tesa woja because ni chibese chido.
Okay. Erusuwa ebe kwasegete.
Exactly.
Okay.
One way na tagete CDF yetumeke no embono it can be used almost the similar way it is. Tosako twara the national body Engara Ike Commission was a board getting established by Parliament. From the national level, they got to branch chair throughout the country. Aso muchumbe atapuati any role.
Oh, kwana no anything.
No, I know what choro
anything.
A secretary, no, I know what choro chairman atapuati any role. Chibesi chair from the national level. Never 150 million wune chibako ewa. Church che constituency, for example, I took it to Jajesa South.
Yeah.
Enyore a body. A headquarters here in Nairobi. These are the branches chair. A team will your it happens to come up and to very green body yo. Bawaka Musara ne body yo. Not necessarily but constituency yo.
Abakurugu even are no Toida chendia bandonyo Kakamega baje kisi bande Mombasa.
Yeah. People that we need to co-opt to that board.
So that imbato local connection.
Munomo sabu chief. To be chief, we can co-opt them from that board. On a team we need we karansa. Ya kora public participation. Yamana konyora kire a ward usikire a community frani
a school gosine nyombacho mo chief
so that this board able to distribute chibesi to the community aite ward ye use constituency yo a purpose yo mujumbe ere no cha kuna kumanyana ke
biakore
se chiajete na kichakore tegasi
oversight na go
oversight because that board will be answerable to the national government.
Yes.
I oversight that body na ki ya wete
Jibesechi.
word frani kiagarete kanyora abana miene bakayu mia pasali word A kayu miene word B kayu 500 why abana aba word A by 3,000 by word B bakayu 4,000 that is now the role of the MP ebine bya gwente gukora investigation ya kuri president wananchi kumenya na kijigo korekana erata what any role to do
enjire yebagwo nchukana kwanyo oranga
omuchumbe nero kwimuka uchochore body onye toma uchi parliament yali yabagazete chairman yane ya CDF secretary yane ne team yane ne kibeze kina kigocha team ye tubwa tinguru kinde cyonse pekira so umuchumbe nero outside oetana na public participation mana wake kenyoro kiringeje kenge chikura keoro kiringeje cha kwa chikura na ongera shilingi 5000 keri kiyange cha kwa chikura
na ile 2000
keri kale kiango kwa mana konyora that money has been misused
and the purpose
distributed
okay
keri chiro chibwate mechando and yet no muchumba wakole
good again to kobolia akera bali go discussing ngani yo omo was it on Thursday na moisonde naroche omono gelibwe bunge omosike wetangula gakoba haliba gabakwane mubungu kurukwa keina ni garugete ebu ekwende koti na bana chibi na balimuna they are busybodies a problem yani neye is it kibese gotebana igo chirani constitutional asengi chire in wrong hands go say you chirani constitutional jitakiri koborno
no it's unconstitutional because it's being implemented by wrong people. The body that implements HVS is the wrong people. The body that implements HVS is n'abachumbe. N'abachumbe role yabo as a constitution yere chisato. Batakiriho kuna HVS ichi. Batakiriho kuna chitimu ichi. So that's why it is unconstitutional because abantu batakiriho kwa implementation is the national government. You know, usa kuinyora. Some years back, abantu bajite court. Bagatabachi court gatabachi this CDF is unconstitutional. Ekagenda back up to the Supreme Court. Parliament ga appeal back to Supreme Court. The Supreme Court gataba that this thing is unconstitutional. Onye mutageti igende kwa constitutional genda mokora amendment
as a parliament.
Parliament kama na koira na back. Dibaga ya just symbol CDF ikamnakobeka national government ikamnakobeka NG
elinde bonokire ne national government
government which we agree but na roba katika gaps gete kikwa na bakamnakobeka abachumbe nende ko patron
ikabidi abantu bakaenda koti 9
bende kabidi abantu bagende te koti watubana no inki abachumbe bago koraze ebodi.
Let me ask you boni ngeke ndugeko karatwari koga na izyo mujumbe bunayo mujumbe mochoge okarugo chegete kenyoroge ito CDF
that's
ingina indo bwate what else
no that's where
I no mujumbe let's say for instance ninkyo bwate na
inke constitution yengete
legislative oversight
number 1 whatever legislation bono gwenda kugenda aria abantu bakuburi ayigesoso wa parliament isheri kikwaro ziye eboveva abantu bakitutu jageza south tubate swamp somewhere ikwaro ziye sheria ewiko make government reclaim that swamp egerebe gentekia aye numa into mutakambure kitutu jageza south mugwekana kwaro ziye sheri kwatungira sheria ewiko make sure na abantu bakitutu jageza south bako benefit banyari kibese cha serikali that is the inero ubwene tukubuli muchumbe eli yakabira
oversight
mubulia mana kumubulia abasigari gosemba etaka kende gose kawe itega saleka ubulie serikali that's what we call now representation inaki mukogenda sigete mwanya ole kawe nero ne serikali think more about it
representation.
You are representing the people. You are expressing the views of the people.
Okay.
In state you have the twins to we karansa mo to kwa the views.
Tokotomaye bweka.
To mancho muntoyo mana kigenda tugoreriki. That's what you.
Tokomanye ngonya goitana ngigwa kolire. Maboli narajire gaiga maki
mana ko cha sense moya ya oversight.
Okay.
Nuru chibintu bigendere kenye. Chabadani.
Kwa boliye maboli bunge.
Exactly.
Wasabiri roboti.
Kwa boli na kwa boli na ke tutagete komanya. chibese chine kimuntu kyoje to kugure airport eko muntu yekra to kugure airport yeito ngwa to boleti
okay
that is what now you are calling you are oversighting the national executive kuba boli nagi nginte ke mwakortas badelo
okay
nangabone ibina byekara to kwera ground nanga ibina byabantu bakuburya abachumbe babo
tiganguboli gayo
babona ni school ngakwa rosi the role yokros school ine role ya national government wowoche birasi ibyanze ine role ya county government so that is what ibina yitukwenda to kuba boli
okay
lakini bone sa yabantu kirege kya korogiru kya bere mixed up bono muchumba ko genda CDF ni ya serikali ya igoro ocho muntoro shi krasi gaiga kama na tebe krasi ke karo sidi na mheshimiwa fulani mheshimiwa AP
okay
asikoma na kukubina
ni ngoko ligi contractor ngoko ligi contractor sama na CDF
oso no muchumbe onye gotegete kumanya abachumbe kibese kiri cyonse cya CDF n'abachumbe bakurya babori kipara kiri cyonse bakorosia no ene giskuru bakorosia bakoe the company Rossetti nende bakoe form tuguruka C12 idea under the register of companies the owners of those companies ai doko nyoro muntu gabigetere musubati mwa bakabego simumburu mwa bakabego gusi
lakini ekero ebintu bimbiri kuligereru na auditor mo monene bwese abuje serikali bali bakunenkia amangana ya NG CDF mbai kuligereria naki tendering yene kiekole na nini ngorwete
tendering no muchumbo gokora na bagochobeke timu ya timu ya kora kya company B ya etwege kwendeyo otabejiti narego but you know
so still there is a loophole yogo takuna jibesecho
everything is done in such a way that yabachumbe bali jibesecho
lakini oroje mbacha bakebwatoke ikigana bakora sema chifu
that is the role of mwananchi. For example, if we stand up and say no onye ndi wananchi to understand it but kabono wananchi to ikira sa point to tabaraki ay kwando ragentu kya na
okay loso kande Wycliffe Mosebwo ngono agotebe sauti ko sawa sasa mbia mano kigima na batebire igo alafu onarege gugurukwa na alo John Kibati na inche tangondara alo oyo na rogo Chris korwa bugusero ragahankani kondani sasa hivi se chinga kibune jigomoro bulibweke umbu Chris arogo kama kawa kabisa wasoireme inkwanelie politician justice mochoge korwa kitutu chache South constituency okwanire kigima nalega tigango nalikelie taboli let mochoge explain how he will work if not given CDF funds kefa momanyi obori riswa nagobona ki aye na kiwocho kokole meremo onye tokonyora CDF gwateba no gosoka isikopi otigana mangana
you see ngorete ta CDF
gibaki ori
no muchumbe
yeah
ojetene a policy
yeah
akarosia convince parliament baganja korosia the CDF
ngakolia kabeka ige karamu ige gaswa
president ya ngoro taina Kibaki nyerente the only thing Kibaki was the president and he accepted umubungu uli kurusi nyandaro uli kurusi nkarwe that is the role of MP lakini hago tebina no inje tindi gote na CDF erusi gororo jege ndongo tebe CDF tebe basakoba under the responsibility yo muchumbe na hago tebe kibesi jina wachikwenda goja lakini gatoro si body kire very strong kire independent specific money chikorwari kira answer with the national government chigoja to the ground to tware body on the ground which co implement projects to ground kiri just CDF wananchi bako soro bako public participation bata ne chicho tutagete bata ne classroom tutagete na match tutagete mugwekana gendo gete tutagete akarombo igwananire third body yamana ko implement kintu wananchi bako batebire aye role yo muchumbe no ko make sure there is no misuse of this money
okay Biamano, omwancho murigelia gendera gotomari bori ryao kero tuligeretia tutumira mabori yao mangi kabisa mheshimiwa Waligaiga elindaira nelike kigima na kiraro che 20 bikurense mo haya genda YouTube Ndizi TV News genda sepechi yane tintora stream a sepechi ya Ndizi TV Facebook tinkagereti abiga na bogo ntebyo nyoto go stream ororo elinde manye kabisa igatomanye nanga itogo so agucha biamano kigima alafu na bogo toma SMS go chali borio namba SMS nera abwo ngata biga likubege na bogo WhatsApp na bogo toma SMS go chali ndeto borie mheshimiwa Waligaiga liko egento kiagara twachirere ngane ya CDF ne twaraga tabana ki ababunge barago tabanga na claim kero rongina it is in conflicting na bagavana na mangana ya bagavana bagotene conflict na development ya bagavana. Do you believe nga CDF is there any way you conflict na mangana development yo mugavana gokora
No, you see, the abachumbe national government bagukwana isaibaroje, that's an excuse.
Okay.
Isaibaroje na ki the only excuse bara tebe na bantu bichiga bana. But according to me no, the governor kiba etiri parliament kibeze county government iboneta kwaewa the county government we get twari kibese ya kora magenda as babune sheria kwa kwana.
Okay.
Ikine excuse mente abachumbe bakungina wananchi bana ki na the only thing baro rigia korekanire nseye CDF na ujikirike korekana. You know that's a lie. Ukundo kungindiri na ge byo gatoroje
na CDF
urugete njalo zitwa mabati kabe ko mabati amayana na kiyo gatwaro aisha turara nene pare ye pare ya rosi kubishonde turanya. Even before CDF etaraja, what was the role of the equity? Kibaki kajita tabatinta itikora wananchi bago wakora ruchiara and the school. That's how the CDF came about. So bono injige you can go there. This role even the kurus was abachumbe. Nintako buchumbe. Yongo tebe role yirus was abachumbe. Egero muchumbe machoro muchumbe could present interest chabantu. Or to make sure that you check ground, charge a body you to implement projects the currently CDF implement a body you to implement or we move to call.
Okay.
Fairness, Necorte? Nero. On the bastard chili, make up Chico, we work on a command like Yavan with the bastard chili fair. Only young would go challenge you much like a with the bastard. Never come work. Okay. You not a mistake ye na bachumbe muisonde e batebe tubuga omugwekano ntubate chipasari chikogenda county government ntubate chipasari chikogenda asumuchumbe ntubate chipasari asumu women rep ntubate chipasari chikogenda as president ntubate kiangu all this money
to be consolidated.
Why don't we consolidate this money
Chewe serikali
to
free education?
Precisely, you see. That's why not another bunge about self-interest. About what self-interest in this way. If Carvalho go on parliament, about the graduates consulted to do free education. But I get free education. But you remember free education.
Okay.
That's a lie. If I get education in a community, I get a buy which is a time. Yeah. Once got to my then passage. We don't because not quite the basari.
Okay. Akero rusu mukutano. Nene kreto kwa sababu ngaba. We are talking about all the MPs all over the country.
We are not specific.
Don't specific anymore. You talk one again. It's a national thing. Na ndenge buatran tikrumondo. Akero kodigeria bago kuana. Naona se emikutano. Minus kukwana da CDF. What else do they speak about?
It is because of the quality of leaders to anyo really. Eke bwene te wocho. Abo liri tangan akoromo gutana abo neki mechan to boate kinyore keneke. Nere ye. Out of mechan ye kinyore ke usina mangana ya machi. Umuchumbo ya mana korosia aros use ne po agende go agenda as parliament korosie a certain policy. Era aros use ne bill parliament e go jikweni babanda abanyora machi. Mugwekano. Onye na mangana farming yetu ya sarekire. Umuchumbo ya wendo kwa nagambe na farmers arase michano ya farmers yere. Onye na sheria rembe agende parliament ya chenje sheria.
Okay. Agere wananchi wafaidi.
Benefit. Onye na mangana biashara. Ai karanzi na wana abanye biashara na abantu beji na abantu ba ko ni mama mboga bamwata mama mboga ebe na abantu beji duka mu karanzi na bako tevi michando ya abo nseme biashara ne riye. Ayo mane kwenye change into a bill.
Onye parliament.
Ogere ni policy ya serikali yero, ogine act ya parliament yo dina mangana biashara ebyo orasa aserembe egero gende parliament munye change egere chikobeva aba kuri biasa
nirigas. Okay.
Erori yinde no make sure wananchi mbeberwa.
Okay. Oroje to kurusie binte hivyo sipio abantu batwale acha yokana torusi CDF ororo.
Of course we
torusie ke kanje CDF erwo torusi ne jibasari ororo.
Tadi jibasari yani neri
to begede.
Jibe kwa se bodinga.
Se bodinga.
Muchumba tayo.
No, do you think people will still contest?
We shall have extremely good politicians, very pro people. I didn't know to kwenye rumu wana siasa or what interest ya mwananchi.
ekirata pesa chikumoiro
tiri pesa chikumoiro interest yo kuri president wananchi
okay
alituranyora mwana siasa okogenda alitabaso chikunako oboibi bukora amanyete naki intumia 50 million ngoso wa parliament nimanyete CDF yo mwaka omugimane what 150 million inza kuyiba shilingi milioni 15 kilo mwaka for 5 years nimbo at almost 75 million ose wana tu ose ngwana
whichever anyole no
chari kabire chibese chiricha
cha yakorete campaign
but if you remove that man from there you will have extremely good politician wate birengere byo gokonya mwananchi wate policies bara arosio rochi gokonya mwananchi bono igege nduge kwira abachumba bange parliament izina ki CDF nekaro chikonyinyora chikolikaba ngagakiri chinyumbana iro
to identify the problem. How do we go about it? If to anyore problem yega
but the court has told us court ya tutevirina ki this thing is unconstitutional
ngoiwe tena bakomana
bali nkomana bali but now we need to stick to that the serikali must stick to that tigabagende nende ya period paka nende baike Supreme Court Supreme Court kera abatebi na chibese chitigabaye kwe we shall accept it but we cannot call that Supreme Court na ige kwa give bad rulings tonyoroke busybody then that parliament is service also a busybody furthermore abakenya banka pa the current parliament by 25th of June
bali batabana tekoleti mero mbobya
yeah to nako bisama ngana currently une bintu biteni nas up to date 85% to 90% of Kenya have no confidence with our current parliament.
Kukolengana na expression che na ba kolide bintu kocha. Good. Again to kwani dai gone singa njuto gendrete ko gasi county go kuligeria in terms of amagendero na kia endrete go kolekana go ikaboniga. Chi county to kwani dai go yechi bese cha twakora. To che gusiga gabono. Muchana no to bugate currently go gendrete igoro yamangana yobolimi. You can talk about something. Chibona sinchi arwegwa ngate ya uboikoyo ga no na roche enene kabisa ya arwete 60,000 ya arwete 60 shillings per kg nera uboikoyo ime aigagusi engia pia arwete 40 shillings per kg yanze kabisa ka 20 abale mibo manire bo gire abande ba Rwanda gisegi abande ba kirupa kalisasi baturunganira sengenje yoko protest nini muno gusiga ga ukoligereria kira ntu nabalemi yamira ga China nyingi rekisiga China roro nyingi kabisa most of abantu bawutuliria nabalemi babwata abane school and stuff ngarabande bago togora chai. Do you think that is the right thing to tugure chai to endese kawa ustande chibando ekira chibesa njiri gocha
njumendere primary ya ningi mane kawa ya someti
okay at least ndigo ngeko kunete
so that's what I'm saying na ki ekawi ye karongo togora igongo togora because ya frustrated
good
muntu yekara utogore chai se yaro jina tubwati ne meaning yasa asali that's why na gotebi kweguru muchumba ndwensi usio kwana gendiki
anyo ba kwana bakale kwana samwe tinda baigu
aliya unless bakale kwana kiberu umuntu bona no that's where leadership comes about umuchumbe abwenta kumere pharmacy baye abaguri mechanda tubwate kuroje kawo nereri amini machani chai nereri ye
chibese chinke
chibese china kibachi nyorete bona nanga no umuchumba abwenta gukora nabwate team ya iri kumukorera research iri bali ki na wachitoka likachipogi maya chindi chikabu
ngoro yawo bona
team ya research ya assistant bawo anye kwali tabantu batabugati
bakoyerigo
these are the people when to kugenda bari react bari the processes kune chai kurumundu kune kugenda se buying center kune kugenda
factory
kumi wo kune kuru factory
kugenda koni wa
along the road paka kune koni wa second paka se kugenda ngumu. This is what ayo mujumbo gwenele ko understand
atwara information
that information umane koranga ye problem ngeberete umane wansa kutaka that problem with the government because this is where that's where utakitoko konya mwananchi bono lindi utaraise that issue utamanya tine ki problem yere the process yere inkyora lesigura ya mwananchi so bona na bugwen tukwira na otebia abali minaki hold on utara tukura
karadiga
karatu na demiti nyebere tura foligenteke tumanya ya magosa karateki ali but kuna mjumbe usiye ngima ujafadhali abakarenji abantu bimukina abantu abayikoye but in kisi tuwate chai lakini have not had any member of parliament who could raise that issue because they don't care because they don't represent your interest. The purpose ya bane ina ki na chire kenyoro shilingi 1,100 nchiro mahuko ga na umira bande kenyoro high school na roseti ebirasi mwigure nende bono na ninche paroseti ebirasi binde nke bono tokora wekera imi abungo bakwani ngende ba shilingi
bono.
This is where the problem is. We must take away problem where
Maite enchereye moyogo any slave avanto suko koraba kolere meremo nekero barabataka. No one we yokora bantabataka nekero babwate bintu bune chae mugondo odumne kawa umuremi okwera mugondo basi kino no gwisana nchigwisana cyobwoyo nchigwisana che school fees nchigwisana kire kiregendo. Bono, where are we headed? Chifactor no chira. A disparity here between 60 mpaka 20 ka tell me 40 a difference ya 40 shillings chingima.
Omayete abakenya babwate nchira bako genda.
That's a lot.
That's a lot, yes, I agree. And this is what and nobody cares, by the way. I know mulimi yokurarambika bono ekere wi kama ngana siasa igakogenda for 40 bobu bwibo na chiri kawe yae gose machancha yae namo ichiwe sichinyinge kubwa icho emechanda bakenya aba the young generation ni cheka na nge young I ran up and down
Yes.
Secondary preparation. So during my time, we were able to do quite a number. Democracy and the secondary preparation, the constitution. So even my own kids, generation
okay.
So to the next level. The direction. The only problem. We are potted there.
Kirenga mbikire tikirenga.
Ngwikira barengi. Generation ya itona ende.
Ekabutura.
Ekirenga kyabo.
Lakini gutame ngotebeka neringa ekremunya gutiemana no muntu mutigiti muruane. Umuntu ocho batanga. Finally wikamukora kurwana.
Of course.
Iko bado ngane yetraera. It is still boiling. Gera mbara gera kirenga.
Yekoera ekeru wata barons ba ukuri university.
Baisran stisco.
Ina ki ekerenge gekoera ekerwa ku serikali nkoniere assets ya serikali ina ki okuyu kwende yekerenge gekoera ekeru ku una kya obukabire burubonge nigese kugete kyo gekolika abana babo chiga ina ki ekerenge gekoera ekeru ku una ki no ene bonus you a section gete ya etichibe chegoro a section gete kai uchibe sia so
mama gotabune cha ine grade kino currency
that's where the agriculture officers needs to come.
Grading
because of number 1, number 2, number 3. Na kitoko eliminate number 1 baba tevi na toko eliminate.
Usine ground gicha mo bwate kebe. Liro ba mo bwate libe.
Na kitoko improve liro beli egandi chiri korente grade kia. We were a process yo kuomierembe inki tura kore egere ukuomye gukobo kuje egere the final grade chikobembe so that's where leadership comes yeah bona ngabu no nangana bi mukugamba motabi yes egere dikite kiabaiga yesababu kiabaiga aba science aba agriculture officers ba batebia egere dikike because number 1 number 2 number 3 as mumana wanza gukora naki na kitogo tako number 1 yiki na kitogo tako number 2 na kitogo tako number 3 so that okoni vinsifa masia mba togore chai toreke bishi number 1 number 2 number 3 so that next year even the biju ko improve gonna work on your
umanye the reason to kuonera mangana yecha it's part of the things because there are decision making in terms of you jikura ya bembe ekegara once you omonto omulemi yatigairo mutaka all the time at the end of the day koikaga niebesa yao achikogora echumvi elindo mokoni vizi ekera otherwise yasa konyora chibesa chingi yakurwe chae na buta manyole kabegete raini asole elindo mwa chibesa chikumo influence ya wakirekura
because igobono bongo bobe nayo bumwana siasa why ayote to muntu ya ataka o mashiringi ya msini why don't you want this yo muntu yo
but that is the only way I and recover obvious
that's why I and recover because ya tabu atibirengere byo gokonya arengere kuna kwa shiringi ya misini ana utakai yeah so that's the wrong politician yeah that's what I'm saying like then twasa kurus na NCDF we never take a review then we can get good politician, the George Murara people, the Anyona type, the Shikuku type, bali bauti gotina okoni wananchi.
Kwa vile siasa ya matuka mange more than me. Who? Ekera kwa lile siasa jeito botambe ngotaka chiro mondo mne kiongozi kwanye Raila lakini bonoro cho muri rune serikali. Egale tajitokora kwa serikali mkonde okole yu mkonde kole Samuel. Igale serikali. Let's agree. There is no way. There are no two ways about it.
He's just in government.
He's just in government.
Yes.
The constitution to what 2010 is amongst tango tabana Nairobi solely is amongst the people baliba akoreteki barua neretega baka to ikira ga go chiko nyora 2010. Korore.
Actually played a big role.
Even tombiro bide mabu ebinga mne ya CDF to ta go change. Korore. Togo ntogo cha kubwa parliament onye ntogo twara strong people kurushiko gaiga abubara agere baleta bana inchi amo agere parliament babu in terms of ebirengererio tumawe tukaenda anona se referendum tujiko chinchia machikanga buna yo turusi none bintu mna bya CDF ororo tubibekare in a different body ijira agere bintu bikolekane. Who do we have right now? Also kolire no opposition people to what Kalonzo is not even anywhere. Who is here? Ngora la abantu bono.
That's the big mistake you people make. Abana siasa mbaro ya sariri abantu n'ekibese. Akina abatebi na kipi kusi butaka bwichorete da ngeko rumuntu ogenda garia mana wa soda karanga misini cyane twibure ibindi by'amatuka mange karanga misini cyane anya ndiko nga misini cyane ego tuli serious anya ndiko nga 100 cyane ego tuli serious. This country will change nande na abatebi even the young generation ya gukora maandamano njagwatebi ekerengere ryekyo onye tutapotite movement.
Okay,
all those things could have been achieved. And if within a short time we watch, believe me not, they will still achieve it. So it will still come. You cannot afford it for labor. Even the American people, but it as examples, even now, they were in a certain stage to live on. They are in the stage to live. So with the time, na civic education ye y'abantu abakenya bange basoire nsemo ya civic education nande twanyore koti kire fair kikuma kikogi fair judgment. Those things will be achieved.
Okay,
they will be achieved.
Okay,
and I can tell you they will be achieved.
It's a matter of time.
It's a matter of time. Give them 10-15 years.
Okay,
they will be achieved. Some of us we shall be at home to karanzete. We seeing those things happen.
Ndagito bwatrabu kiririgo ngenda samangana maya angejite kange meronkebire gato so mamangana maya okay elinde tumanye go chikuirana sekingezi ya kabiri to kole kinsa inyigoro igonde to so ujumbe getere gaiga mungwana nare gaiga ulika ujumbe akorwa Henry Nyarora nigare omuliki bwamangana agatabasalimia huyo Cardinal Otunga Mosojo schoolmate alafu na ulika took mate and the student leader nege mayana mangana yonsi atebire
asinara mocha
ngayigo
Cardinal Tunga no.
To sometio.
I know.
Na yo somete.
Somete Kisumu. I was in the national school.
Took no chieto.
Took unto alinge maybe you Nyarora yes I can and I took I was there. Well, no.
Okay.
And I know Henry.
No mumai.
I know.
No mumai. Mbia mono. Kaki Henry Nyarora kwa kwani mbia mono. No musani kabisa. Akoru kurunya county ya Nyamira.
I know him.
Asa akoru kwa Nyamusi Samuel Gari. No angati no akorwa ali sikawe constituency ya North Magirango mbia mono kigima Henry Nyarora korwa Wycliffe Mose korwa Nyakoe Mr. Kibati oyona isaine koba omuchumbe kolengana nalia aresire igoro ya CDF mobolie abale mibechae mbire robale mbale birmo robale ere ncheraki araba konye abalemi bebunge yaye elio mba tugule chai tindage tuira ni ribono angende sesemu ya kabere to anda samangana maya to koira na tumago cha koira ni riboli yo amona yande amange. buya na inde kege mo mwancho murigelia be television ya DZTV mangaro bengi ya kero chara gide chinse seto echebono mangaro be chinse choro gongo rwa Afrika ya mocha igo onkwere libagiri go kwaliga ni kegi mana inde sense moja kabere ya mangana maya ichinse seto chimagaro ya bono elinde twemanyina harajia ya berga gwataka kurwa chisinyo inye chinse itindi jibweka nigo tole na Lydia Mose oyo koletera mangana maya gwetera somunwa oria abwe byorokererio byamono kegima Orabano nigo tuchaka mangana maya kurwa se county area ya Nyamira bakeba balimi bekemeligie cha kurwa seke wanda Kenya Nsiongo nigo bono beso kirina kwemurunganiria kiria kigendrete sebono baba bakoegwa igoririke se bonus nigo baya kwanira yo gucia se aba director na bigona batrenili beki wande kyo asebate biribuna nigo bagenda mamincha yali kanyora baba kwanire nga mbajikolete bonus yichibesa chigoro nigo babolirie abarai kurosoro gongoro gusi wesono negati elio kwene kiabuna nigo barachi kobatoria na kobaletera ligoli lire ligia musakito Paul Kapokara kurose county ya Nyamira iga kwaliga ni robot rukobwatia asenchera yobekirano
bagukwana nigeta sine kiga alimia baiga na nene bekemerie cha kurwase factory ya Nyansiongo nigo bagendere ko bakwimurungarira kubwatekana mone ngeri enke anene ya bonus ya bagikorerigwa
asa marida ne vanis mokaya umulimi Nyansiongo nagiega tuamena situ kulia lero egende egera to kwanire na mangana to kwana na watoka ntie management ya factory yetu ya Nyansiongo ya tegerere una balimi abaminto bakororamika kolengana n'emichando n'obororo warora se factory ya Nyansiongo
agukwana nigo baba mochiria ba director abo babalirete eiranga mbachikonyara kwa bagukinya engeria yekemerie kiga kurende buna balirete chira nigo bachire mamincha
tuatebe tubuna nkoe guturi chibese tukabika chikura burunge buna bato tebeti ono moeri bieri tuko pese chinchi ono mbaigo tatebinga irenge pona asia pimetumo ya onetumo Mombasa mbaigo tatebi chibese irenga chiachete factory mbaigo tatebi enibe ya ito mbaigo tatebia pone gentu ba igo babwat basoete se chiombe cheito bakori buna batagete igo kogani kwana nkoringa ki toche kari burunge na serikali esoime echekinga chibese chinga kichia pinga kicha ya pimetu Mombasa nga kiya onetibwe irenga ya retete irenga ya retete tugo chaga irenga factory ya ruseti na ninga kiya ruseti
nigo igo bagendere ko baba komochiga tia bagirigacha abwo kolengana mo nabara batari gukora mirimo yabo buyikirano
abantu bari bagoche tundu bari beruka bagirigacha babegete chianga chubo girigacha bantabwe mirimo bakorera ontumanyiti ekiagera mbanya gocha seme gondo ya ito barigere nga kingotore chai nkisaretie bantebie egere manyende kapise lakini omoelio iba kwiruka ngana bagirigacha bagenda bari chibeso omoeli bomotien chibese chinga iba kurusi echayane kere na rosirin chibie ko manyene na nyirusirinka na nyeretire tundu bari wamagocha konyora no bateneine bagotangi chaye nimbe nchego maete kurukare echa umugirigacha gagocha mugundo ogochekerie chai okurusia magoso okoreke pisa kwakora burunge bono gokoire chai tundubari gokoire chai tundubari buna machika okoraki agoteba umugirigacha agotebiri kuru mugundo lakini emiaka ya yebona egenderete igotore no gokumisana ng'abagirigacha mbaroro be factory bakuri chibese chietanti kiribwe 50 tutamaiti ni chiagasiki kwa sababu mbaigocha mugondo batochekerie chai iko kerege ntuyo gokumisana igo abagirigacha bari ngonya no barikire twaria basoke kurwomba bugatigasi bakonya kuri chibese cheitu bose basoke kabisa bagende egere chibese cheitu tonchinyore korengana buna togo tore chai yeito
asinsemende nigo boigo bamomochiri omumaneja omunene we factory jiga ya Nyansiongo manyakante na Langat asikiria nga nigo abeire gakobanga ina samatuka matambe
ebirero byaitu ne 40 tutagite anyenchi yo batwerese ngaichiachite na kabere Langat biko manyene kana ru campaign wetaga iga buno mumana chiche saba director ga ro tene echai ge ko igabuna ba usiga ega abuka tomanoere iko bugoria machani Igo induto amete chibesa Nyansiongo tobwate uchiri chinyinge gekogera machani tutatenete. Birero bieto gochi ase bare gakibato igwe birero bieto na mane serikali ya soime tokonye.
Rangati otoitire Nyansiongo. Ntenko bolia bale ba Nyansiongo. Onye mundu tayora teneri bagali Rangati. Yona tushike factory. Kiagara every mess Rangati sin. Every mess Rangati sin. Omuntu boli swali gao tabingo teneni ale namba yao. Rangati is not a farmer in Nyansiongo. Nkiako Rangati yao tiande kabire. A problem yane entogise ko Nyansiongo se ko buena Rangati must go. And that's all.
Omokito bogotema kuri yoboteneri wa factory yiga elikwirana ya onsi nigo otebora matunda kolende niga maisonsi bonara kunyara kabaga kurigereria anene ekigera kunyara kabaga koba nyerekane ngabaremi abange nigo babege togosemeria sekemerie kiga yechai igingo reporter igetasini kya wanjite kya Ndizi TV ugiga sike Rwanda Kenya Nyansiongo imeye county Nyamira inchi konkuru kwa Polycarp okara
Gotigana na yo kurwase county area ya Nyamira kurwase musikito be county yo Polycarp Okara ni gotugana kwikase county ya Kisii asotokonyoro roboti gosori enkoyo yakagire guchiago korekana litukoria rero asigitigi gosori kya Gusii Stadium imeyo mu Chobosongo igatiye timu ya Shabana na boige timu area ya Posta Rangers nigeta korekana omugaso orero magega ya abarefa varia bari gutenenera enkoye yo gutaikirana asegetie kyo amashabiki mange ayo gusaba tioteli konyora ba kiri kuruchinsemo au nigo bage chigwa kigima sikeria ekiarorekana ani chinchira chingia chitayo kurwase ekiombekeria gitenete mangana yenkoyo ya Football Kenya Federation ime yense ya Kenya mosagito dipo nasanya neikaga habwo na kwaliga ni roboti rukobwatia asenchira yugo ikirano
imeyegeti kya Gusii Stadium nigore ngomogoko munene anene gucha sabarigerere be timu ya Shabana abuba sokia asobongerio gucha kurigerere chigosori gati ya timu ya Shabana na Posta Rangers maigajegeti keiga korosi wasike kegetambe eri kunyarego isanekia ebirengo biribiganeirie ase chigosori cha FKF nigo yaetanire miaka 15 ase chigosori chigagitararoreka asigetie keiga kurinde nigo yari ngomogoko asababwatani anene borogongo rwa Gusii kurinde maega yaywe nigo chigosori echo chitaikirana chiabe chikoganywa ase kegetambe engana bone ichaneti abange gusangane coach ya Shabana Mr. Omolo niga kwerera yaiga.
I don't have a reason why we have not played this game, but something maybe has happened to the referees. I'm not really sure. But you could see the turnout. Everybody was
ready for this game. And it's very, very unfortunate that Shabana fans are going back home without watching their team because the team was really, really prepared. And everybody was looking forward for this game. So whatever happened is very, very unfortunate for football, not only Shabana, but for football in general. Because everybody wants to play. My players want to play. The fans want to watch a good game. And you can see our ground is so good, yeah, for good football. So whatever happened, I don't know what will happen. I mean, way forward.
Kurwa sensemo ye team ya Posta Rangers gusangana mokochi obo negetasini kya Ndizi TV boigo ni gairera yaiga.
Kile kimefanyika tumekuja kuarifiwa dakika kama 30 vile zimeenda. Tunashindwa kwa nini marefari wajatokea kwa game, ni nini kinaendelea. But hata sahi sina clear information ni nini imeendelea. So management yangu nafikiri imekuwa in communication na responsible authorities na wakatuambia game ichezeke.
Hekerenga kyogota ikirana gwechigosori echiga gati ya timu ya Shabana na Posta Rangers imeyegetiga Gusii Stadium nigo etamanyirigo ikabono.
Kitu iko ni information zilikuwa zinakuja tofauti. Mara marefari wako pale nyuma wana change. Ukienda huko unaona referee, mara referee wako nje ya ground wanakuja, mara referee wamezuiwa kuingia. So unajua Team zote zilikuwa prepared kwa game. Tulikuwa ready sana kwa hii game.
Urwensemo ya baligereria nigo barorekana kogechwa asibaba bakwimurunganeria ekiombekeria kia FKF ikyo gitenerete chigosori emergency ya Kenya.
Today I came here at 7 in the morning just to watch Shabana game, but I'm so disappointed. Till now there is no game. I'm so disappointed. I even feel like crying.
Niko na huzuni sana sababu ukiangalia kitu kimefanyika leo ni kitu ya kuhuzunisha. Ni kama uamue nyuki amekudunga amekuuma tu kidogo, uamue kuchoma mzinga na uchome nyuki. Kwa FKF na management ya FKF yote, kwanza kwa president wa FKF Nick Mwendwa. Wewe mwenyewe unasema ati ya recognize court order, wakati tumeitisha elections za FKF, wewe mwenyewe ndio umekimbia kotini kuchukua court order. So hizi zenye unatuambia recognize court order, tunakuambia you style up Nick Mwendwa.
Mimi ni fan wa Shabana. Tumekasirika sana. Mwanzo vile tulikuwa tumejipanga sisi kama mashabiki, tulikuwa tumefurika hapa tukijua itakuwa game yetu ya kwanza kuenjoy hapa, na mashabiki wote walifika karibu 25,000 plus, lakini tumefanywa mbaya sana. Hatuoni marefari. Kwa nini inaendelea? Kwa nini tumefanyia Federation Football of Kenya? Tumeifanyia nini? Watuambie wasimame, watuambie hiyo ni hujuma gani wanatufanyia.
Maiga yuko na chwa weki na abwe igoro kubwatekana no kungusana na wechigosori echiga asamatuka maiga. Nigo bono ekiombekia FKF kiaboriwe kwena na amaskani igo chia asebigambero.
We are so much disappointed today. Tumetoka mbali, travel overnight, tukifika hapa after the court order ilitoka jana kususpend hiyo implementation ya hiyo suspension yetu, of which tumefika kwa wingi vile mnaona, and it's evident that kuna shida FKF. Sisi tungependa waheshimu court order. We are ready to bear the cost yenye wanataka, but let them not destroy the beauty of football in Gusiland.
I think our referees and the entire Football Federation of Kenya should be used to a huge number of fans appearing in support of their teams. Sasa sisi kutokea wengi hatuko tutakuja vita. We just came here to support our team because this is the first match we are having here after a long time. I think it's a disappointment to me, to the rest of the fans. We want these things not to repeat themselves. Let's have protocol. If it is they are feeling insecure, let's have the police deployed here enough to protect the referee in case there's anything that happens.
Nigo yarorekana wa kukonene gochia samashabik wetania chiribo emerongene abo baikirana asegeti ekyo asokwegokia na kurigereria chigosori ekyo. Giko reporteria igetosaini kia unambeja mokia Ndizi TV kuroiga segeti kia Gusii Stadium litera nenkoro kwa Dipon asanya.
Ekero tutigarete asia manganande yichigosori nigo tugosuka abusyo ime ye county ya Kisii ibune nchirahiye mo yugusira ebye gwakurwa soro gwakurwa Nyaribari Masaba nigo kitimu chomberana asegeti kia Geteri lyo ase egeti kia Geteri ase ensemo eyo elinde gotwara chigosori chake bosani nigo bono chigosori echo chiariganirwa no musike Kefa Sagana ase aliyeira yuguchego chake tournament omwelio bwo mwaka ingaki echo kitimu echo obono chaba chigoswana ase chigosori echo nigo chia kwenyorera chi uniform musakito Frida Kirbo na batoroboti urwesenchera yobukirano
Eliogokinia ebiegwa asensemo yengoyo nigo musike Kefa Sagana aligania gosori ya kebosani asegeti kia Geteri okwana nigo aerera ekirenga kiae kyogosira ebiegwa ebyo asinonya nabo abwatuka ebiegwa anene chi uniform
sana ku support team Nyaruka ni chaba mura bebodi especially tuko na lero ne sabato na babangirite friendly kuna na barangirite bo change na barangirite bacha bake umupiro yo friendly and na babodi uniform last time na bagirite and then na bamura na barete chibi cha kwa na mazoezi igo nambara kwasa birenga ndokwenzi utatakubakonya. The field is open. They are still nurturing their talents. Yongo bakonyande and limbate token kwa kile team according to unabakobwa.
Asensemo ya bagosori nigo bagokera ogusiroko asibabolia abarai wesoke na kubasira elikonyora ebikoroto bingoyo
wagira ngambia mono twajesire na intwa bangina na baiseke batoitire nanya twaitwa bangina ntora kubada moyo twana gwaka masoezi lakini twatemire twakadia soezi twakeriyo minto mheshimiwa Sagana asa gotendera uniform gotong'arete gakitonye osoro mongina basengo yumbwanje tabana bangino tabanja tokonye na ne chikoro tebioka na ne socks ndo bwati buna bangina akintu akwete chikura akina intorera mabero tong'ari shimono mheshimiwa tong'ari shiraiga igasege tiki ageteri ko twabari ga ni mwezi nonye no yo minto korokwa Anthony akinoro sema ngana abana norocho bwari obana anoroje ngabona bwe bisete akitokonya na intubuna bangina na baiseke batujandegete na intutokareki tono kwakoresa wasiyeye na itotaenda kuna gutaratara
nanya nabo nigo abasaye baburirwa gwesokia asobonge elio kwegenderia gwetera ebiegwa boigo nigo bairera obuya bwenkoyo ase okwagacha omubere
mono gwakira mheshimiwa tuganyerete yo minto Samuel Marang'ambu yamono asengenjo aretira oburabu geterie ita chigisambia nanya kora bangina baguchesa umupira muna bachesire buya bagakabaitu bakira umupira buya gaiga nande tiganga kirenga buya mono sana asengenjo ntanya koro moito okorera yo minta akorire itanga diganya sa museni asaya yenderete gukora abana baitu bareka abangina baitu bareka igona ari kubariga ninga yeterie ito kerabu kya igweru no yo minto tuganyerere to yo minto keva Sagana marai iko abangina barenka tigamba tabingambu yamonesa uri mwagokire mwakire mechi buya mwachesire buya noene ochesuko kogera kure tutware chinguru ase mibere yitu marwire tago tuikange
nanya nabo nigo geteri Queens FC bayikora geteri women chigori inye ase esagero nigo boigo bagokera ogosirwa asensemo ye uniform
ronto wate friendly gaiga geteri Queens ladies na geteri women ntwaka bangina chigori nyaiga lakini rende mbate machumba kali soesi isoesi neligia sana akiagera ngo changa mukora seliti nere muhimu sana koruga gu ndo wate patroni yaito yatoretere uniform morosera rumna torabetinye nigotogogete twakwanire boira lakini ane ntoranyorondo gutusapo
omusike Sagana nigo aboria barai akorwa sorgongo rwagusi aneno mwaziri bwe chigosoli gotarera ebiti na gukora amaonchirio elio chigosoli chibe chigoikerana
will still continue nurturing these teams and I hope in the near future we see a tournament enene ye wodingima team Chonsby I think there are about 16 or 18 Chonsby njirete tournament I will check kiwande kigeto kwanza ngorengere kumweza kareke zigzag kene ndo gitakere kube kwe track tereme kebe level abana abakiza kinde bakumi abana abantu ba public works ndo bwate no ne minister chi county ba sports bobani tabata ibintu bine babirigereri ibigwanda bine birinyoroso bibe bigwande biya so that twanyara na ne team kurusu kuchacha bako mpira
Kerubo Frida Ndizi TV
Biamono kigimo mancho murigeria kero cheke daika ikomye kianda igoro yichinse seto chimugoroba yabono abuna inde no ngukorira mangana mayase mugoroba yabono igoto kwande semo ya kabere tokwirana elinde tumanye gonya gusuka abusyo nindo chamabori akire gaiga kigima ekerto arure semo ya kabere ntochie konya rigeria elinde toborie mwishimiwa agendere konyereneria ikobono togendere gututuma mabori yao gwetera se namba yesimi ejiyo bekire igoro gabwo elinde tunyare koyereneria tinari nginchibweka nigo twaringe na Lydia Museo yokoretera mangana magia asenchera yumunwa bimanyire nabo igo nigo tore na Abigail Nyancha manere producer yumorobirio togende sema ya kabere asige ketali getambe ngore na tore ritogendere bosyo no morobirio oitobweke umbu litukoria rero ya Jumamosi tariki 25 echumutinyo kiando mwaka w'ikiri 2024 nchiri gonkuru kwa John Kebati
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Bwumugusi
gento tikerie kiya sense ye buna komenya buya kebochenu na kiye kogeregeta seni kya Ndizi TV togokoretero muroberio bwo komenya okuya bwo buiga totebe abantu abanene boka kusenone muntu ndi bwensi nabago
nonya muntu ndi bwensi nonya rero iga oiso konyora kwanyorire head injury nabo konyoranga e problem ya gochire.
Sasa pneumonia ni infection yenye inakuja, si ni infection, ni kitu, ni una breathe in hiyo bacteria, alafu ukitibiwa inaenda inaisha kabisa, so haiwezi kukua transmitted kutoka kwa mzazi ikienda kwa mtoto.
Kira ritko ria Ijuma gochaka chinsebere goika chinsebere ne nusu chia mogoroba no semiwa manke igoro yobochenu ubwo mubiro
egoro breast cancer screening inabo umuntu atakire kuyekorera every month siku ya 10 after period
ubwo bekara buko gotera turi kunyara gukora mirimo yabo na kige kora togotena wabira umuchando gakarekera bwagukire turi kunyara gukora imirimo iri kwengo kora
umwana ataraiki emyaka 5 mutabwati kenda gwekorerere bweka nigagokorerwa so ibintu biri abareri bwo mwana bakomukorera karo moke na bibigo shape future yo mwana yo gujumuto
okomenya okuya kebochenu ritukuri Juma chinsa ibere chabutuko no moiroroye ritukuri Juma 3 chinsa isano na ibere nenusu chamugaso na Evelyn Osero
inyora obochenu bwo mubero na bwo obonda bwa
kunazo simulizi nyingi na za wengi ambao wanahitaji msaada.
Baraza is one of the stories. Baraza alikuwa analala nje.
Unasema ati kila mtu atafute kwake, alafu mimi naambia nitafute babangu tuende kukula huko.
Alirudi kucheza mpira kama kawaida.
Anatumwagia maji, anapaswa vitu kwa nyumba. Alafu kuna siku nyingine hapa alikuja akafungia mamangu kwa nyumba, akaanza kumchapa.
Tazama Save Alive kila Jumatatu na Ijumaa saa 12:30 jioni ndani ya Ndizi TV. Tubadilishe maisha.
Omwanchumuriria bwa televishoni ya Ndizi TV mbiyamona sukoira chinsa chao na kuriria televishoni yao na mbegemo yomunwa mweke gusi bono onye kubwate nganende yonsi yokwe murungania woso komenta na bogo toikera ase gutwakirezimi ase namba notice isano na ibere inyesato isano nemo ibere isato isano na isato isano na ibere eyemo gose otorikere yukorike ase email ya ndiztvnews@gmail.com boigo na bugotonyora ase mitandao yaito buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya Facebook YouTube nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na boigo TikTok nigotogotoka buna Ndizi TV News na bo ogututare rasi chiabisi chito icho chirebo shiobwe chiro ya embassy ekero kogenda nyakoe asebara ekurwa kisi kogenda Kisumu. Ndizi TV obwansu bwo mugusi.
Asige kabondo enyumo yale gutaguka twayagachire
kayenke bato mulembe yekoreto wiya ase kenyoro amasikani aba bintu byao bigusikwa kera obosera bwenka nugo kutebania kene nakonyorekana korenga nigoro mwiri obwange to bulimo otagetekene
obwanjani bwale gucwereka ntwabolera
Pastor Gideon Girokenda bange babatamu kubacana asenga tikuri myaka abakunyomana rero babacane abakumenyomana imyaka 50 etire banyare ko bakomocana bo ibasi chingwana na Girokende ebikoro byabo byakanito
uko mochana koroko ngoli mumura na baote baba gusinga boterere mboli mumura eyenteke nene nkelinga bamuko bacana ekero mwanyorire oro ribaga na bumande mugo chamo mwanyora lichibuli uko bacana ko
enka yale kugwa ntwaye sira yabeire ensera
obuya bwenka enkeria kare buya abumogoko bokobo abantu bakobasika nande barombiya more
na bono asa monchirulio yemerubili ya Ndizi TV Rosa Enkayao na Josephat Amisi
tomo chako bwati omoroberio obosera bwenka kera litukoria Jumatano ja kerense ya monenusu wikera chinse bere nenusu
tutenenie umuchie
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
ya kegima mwanchu mo ligeria na bwigo mo tegeria ndonsi asoberte kidegeka ne 25 igoro yechi nsaisato chema karoba ya bono ikindi chiza chirogo ngorwa Afrika ya mocha muna botambe no maito mo rubili bweke umbo guchaka chinsa ibere twakora chinsa inye twakore kingese lige tangani kuru chinsa ibere wika chinsa isato twasore kingese ya kabere kya guchakara chinsa ibere chinsa isato igoro twasomira mangana maya bono ne igotole ntunda yo muhari okegima guchakara bono baka chinsa inye igoro elinde tusiye kwa mirango tusoke gochi abra kini TV yarango genderere bakamambia igo ni ntuto gochi ko murango kurwaso mu rubiri bwekehumbu twasokera kini TV yarango genderere uwe kamambia mbia mano kegima asugo bago toligerelia nago te YouTube no dore live Ndizi TV News, Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na boigo na bako ande sepechi ya John Kibati lindo ligerelia mu rubiri okegima SMS lika asena mbebere igorogabo gocha elinde zenyora ngoso andi na WhatsApp ni kwa likiro ro naro niso amechi SMS chao inagotebiga omweshimiwa engineer Justus Mochoge oyo nigakurwa kitutu chache South na bori chikuro na ende trante bina mubori lakini igiye bachenjira gitega lakini nguira na ndororo na ndante bigo singo chikuburi ali chikuro mwaka bwikiri bwibere na merongo ibere na isano na ibere twakwanira mangana amange kurwa county twatiri twakwane goro yoboremi twakwane goro ya CDF twakwane bidebinge bono mabori na harachicha egara konyo tra endo mutumoko na ronde twire ni liboniga elinde togendere gukwana mangana guche national government egara tolgete go chikokoro chibosyo igobono na yebori liborio tawisaransa ubusa umoroberio yo tali ogwisaransa busa murobiri yo gukobwa desini ya uri keri borio linde toira nilikorugaiga bia mono kigima ande na kwaliga ni disentu ndende bia mono maboli na rega gali montali gete li before to gende sumutumoko Mr. Kibati Wycliffe Mose kurwanya koe Mr. Kibati oyo na isaine koba omuchumbe kolengana naria aberega koerera igoro ya CDF mubolie abalimi becha embire robale re inki usenkiraki arabakonye abalimi abo bechae bebunge yaye elio mba tugure chae birengera likiora abae elinde mba tugure chae
na kirembia mano number 1 tiganda otebyo kwambuli usininkale siasa
chakirago
chikora cyarete 2022
yes
kitutu cyaje cyore tumwishimiwa Anthony Kibagendi uri mu cyumba ito so for now mheshimiwa Kibagendi uri mu cyumba one
yes
and I wish him the best and I problem ndio sira ororo tiga anyetako n'abantu bakitutu cyaje South ba batagete
yes
nkibono iga gwandege ndongoro ka sabbatical leave
okay yani sabbatical leave ne linga to likusta mangana siasa nugo kwanira tu
ahito wocha bune studio rega na raisi to korekiano to control on the ground
go kwanira
na kwana mangana siasa usini siasa ntegete
okay
so ego gada nimanye 2027 ningalere miaka itigarete datu ne menge arabira se ground ki miaka talimeke therefore chikura nanyorete 2022 jangogeti so lende that's why na teba na bono for time being on my sabbatical leave
okay
2027 ningalere kerenga kiyera ike abantu ndodiza
don't deciding yokora
for now I am not in
politics yeah
ngombwate ngondoro kerivi yane
okay
kwa sasa active politics
yes
amangana ye chai abali mibe chai na erese gende kibateria ditangani toramanya igiridi kibago tebite kebe toeresu nangabona ono twanyorire extension officers ba be chai ababunge beka ababunge balenta bana
abana inchi amo ose extension officers
abantu extension officers abantu ba serikali balente experts be mangana ye chai baikaransense baerese wananchi sababu chai yabo yanyorete bonus yenke batebu ni chigredi kibagote uchire chimbe bamana kwego chisababu amini ose inakyo toji ko improve grade onye nubuyo butakeire turi ubuyo
yes
onye no chenjirire ba batotebi style yo chenjiri akarutwa exactly problem ichonzi and toilet next station officers na abantu aba check officers batotebi na kitu ko improve so think ko encourage umuntu for now utobolecha chai karare mereria bono biga bantu asi pharmacy mwa beka pressure more especially asaba chumbe baliye professionals bali bechai bali abantu ba KTDA bache tugeta mokole emekutano babatebi inkikyarenge kebe n'inkikyarenge ekwirende kibona siga cyanzi totebi obubwe emechando yarengo after that tumana kwana na grace period usino mwaka yo mos ne miekebere na kitoko improve vinde vya garte grade ke kaira nanse na kitoko improve gara next time ngeji
na ndego go affect
ya gatatu bali ke release system ya taxation kube buying center ne chaeko economy ta quite the number of taxes chibeke in bitu chibebe between ngiri kitoko rusiororo
totigero mure miega tugechieto
kwanyora ekiro ye chai in London gekoniwa tutabumo gwekano kiringi 2200 ini kire yamaye ye chai kwa maana goja Kenya gaiga muremyo mara wakora rushiringi 40
kwanza 20 na baba bande bae 20
umugwekano bona ichirinde difference ya 2460
na chai chabuturani rugatia stima nini ya moyo nini
KTDA ile chinde
one last question nature no advice ya bali
this is the responsibility yo mujumbe ano mujumba oja
no advice yo mulimi atogore chai
for the time being na matena ki give them a grace period pono yege ntukwento kora
akitaira chaka obulimi obokorwa matuka mange bintu bya sarekire
but they must have a start pono liyo raje bate batugore bakoreki
yoring pagos bege bintu ngao chibando
after nga yu atibeke chibanda chikoni
takoria aliego sawa ni school fees
kwa kesa kweka chibanda
abantu mbere solely ba dependent yone
manyete njene famande ngore mande kitale ni understand it ni manyete gore so yo tindo chiusiga igasoja kurusie cha yenu zueka otene ni cha wate nuzueka usakota naeka uyo negesio usine skimu rurari kwate keyemo na buno oya usimeka chibanda chikorage nendo chioni it is not easy no embale bwata mane muzi farming itself is extremely expensive farming in important for na bubo amagena that's one expenses yes so I know farming is not easy and the farming era koe again to kire worthy you must have at least 100 acres and above
ngobwate kusiando bwate 100 acres
kikina tege so we need to put the pressure sir our representative to ikaransense to ya bantu ba KTDA to ikaransense to manyinga yeme chande lita taxes chile ira na elia kabe to man komanye grade ba ko te evidence inkikegere te grade evidence how do we improve grade mana ko give a grace period
bien mano narage okuruko Henry igakolica iga tea leadership business is nowadays propaganda. During campaigns, they promised 45 plus shillings. A month later, they paid us 20 shillings. Our board members from Nyamira and the Kisii counties are now telling us that ships sail round Africa to buy our tea, contrary to what they said during campaigns. West of the Rift, 20 shillings, while east of the Rift, 62 shillings, na zote ni wakulima wa miti wa chai. Nani anachezea mwingine? And imagine DP was in control. DP anamaanisha DP Gachagua. Mombasa auction is a mess. Grower Kiamukama. Oyo ni gari umulimi gwe kurensemo ya Kiamukama. Nugwete frustration ya yakoregi. Frustration ya bekire gabu gochaiga. ngukwanira uri kende
aso bwenge that's where umne mio na charere na chaka na cha atulecha yae igitingira mukonya that's where the role yo muchumbi uchira ime nkibona muchumba ya ara mukonya as corruption ire gabo that's where the role of muchumbi comes in as a representation which kuramika serikali ko tebele ngikeko yara badi mibaye bakonyora mechande yon spiero that's the role of an MP. That's where his MP comes in.
Toskomutwe. Omorali John bwairire onyoni gose miguna korwa bubasi nkwaniriye omogeni oyo okwanire akwanire igoro yo uri mwecha mbia mono nabutogendere gukwanira emagaroba ya bono nalege gota ekente kia buri mwecha ekorokana gya sumbuira abali abantu sana turojubage kwanire sana munkwaniriye mwakwanire igoro ya CDF na obolemi. My opinion, I wish all bursaries should be centralized in constituency offices to give way for those not benefited in one side to benefit on the other side. Yankole.
So long as members of parliament take your role. Na kiki tu kwana. Chibese chichibuja tikechiche constituency.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. Secondly, about Obolemi, it's becoming expensive when one goes for fertilizer at NCBP, National Cereals and Produce Board, rather than it being allocated to or at constituency offices.
The best is not even the constituency offices. The best should be at ward level.
Okay.
That's the nearest. So that umurimi tabasukurwe distance aje si NCPP bosonga muntu rwete ichuniro orari rubebe boso muntu rwete bobasya
aje bakaga
boso muntu rwete sauti mugirango
mata
ate mariwa achipaka etagwa mana kurweta agwa mana gocha bosongo aje gocha NCPP nendega wikone ndate buru yaro boyumburi radio joje mambia
otumire fe oboyo gakobonyora
nebuate pakomutuleti kiba manyetena kiba abantu registered. It should be the role of the government to make sure oboyo wekire at the ward level.
Okay.
Abalimi bali registered banyorere from the
wakati cost ya transport egera no bonyora ga ikabusunga NCBB ngobe kole piki igoro
ngobe kole piki
onyoro sinijugu nibere korwa baka South Magirango the farthest end.
It is terrible.
Anyo boyo woko 2,500
you will spend
another
2,000
woko abogolire
4,500
igorende brake igori
nothing ekere serikali gokonya mwananchi serikali ile genuine igwa kesabu cereals in terms of resources egere cereals manako able was spread you into up to the ward level.
Above all, what is required is transparency and accountability. Kulingana brengeli biaye arojena transparency and accountability te yononya asa manganaya. Tigango gaiga. Na so me kwende yao SMS kurwali konyora kwanyendi kirigalia ase WhatsApp systems within the factory ni ya machambazi kabisa na bagote abane bintu byasale kirali kagima biamono ekorokana mangana yobuli minabwata tabali misana
no nemechando is a problem. It's a problem and unfortunately nobody cares from the people's representative to the government.
On the tayo kiromo bintu byayale
farmers have been left on their own
and abali miaoma tena bagoka chikura mono
of course
turadigira huo. Serikali ya Kenya kwanza gwikira boni igorote ba promised koruchi besa abangina bahe guno nabasaye bakore biasara which has not materialized bakatema keriba abegetalia kibesa na kibono gekorokwa liteligansire iri asla fund ni wete na gose around 12 billion injisire tjira ndiko baka bono endenge kemo job creation abiro muchanda basaye bagendereta ko produced from universities and colleges batabu atimeremo government nebwate unfinished project from way back from 2016 mpaka boniga uzukuligeria no new projects chigendrete serikali yabeka kando. Finance bill 2023 nebwate muchando, finance bill 2024 teyo a president is out of the country kuligichibesa kirachire shikot okay ni bintu bya yarenge but still ngokwa negerenga yachiete lakini we know him some of those things could follow him kurumaganga o kwanire bintu bnebiga good tumanyi go kwanira iga osokoligereria national debt endete gukina ogwa kana gwaito na korokunku bwate problem ikiagara finance bill kaya gure na kijibe siko ba collected development negendete gaiga 2 years down the line serikali ya Kenya kwanza ekero kunyi analyze aye muno mwana siasa ndo muno muntu kuliria mangana siasa ngayeberete kera bona ndo yo Kenya ne ba jakire kurwana ngayeberete boniga in terms of development
it's a na ko ba kong actually we na development ya Kenya kwanza so to the best of my knowledge na bomontara antevi na become very
economical with the truth
no, not economical with the truth but I may be
hard
treated them harshly but the truth of the matter frankly speaking I've not seen anything yet development here Kenya kwanza the government majority of the people were in that government from members of parliament up to the president we have had very close interactions so mababunge na wana wabunge wa Kenya kwanza kisi gaiga at least if not all of them have done politics together they have been close friends of mine any relationship with the president those days it was very close we did a lot of politics with the current president but the truth of the matter you know I love Kenya more than I love any leader Kenya mono
kobwana no muraigete
the truth of the matter I think
yes
in terms of development unless the wiki the Kenya government because every policy ba chire there are obstacles either they don't involve the people so it is just you bulldoze it to implement it wananchi bagenda koti civil society agenda koti gendegia karaki so everything is just literally we are at a standstill
okay osikuligire liboniga otuchakira mangana yinyomba mangana yinyomba affordable housing it was ngere tubaka kotini orwo ojja mangana adani aye privatization ya airport ya miniru ojje amangana ye university funding na karoki ya pingiru kabisa ninki serikali ya jire na karoki policy ya jire ngiye iga getara minu na bantu bale babwate brengli bene serikali ye gose
why I want everything to work for me so nkinda bera against the government why should I be against the government for what purpose because I want to ekero a problem ya serikali ya ito yo mheshimiwa William Ruto nege kuba
okay
they are trying to ebatagete usuguma kirege ndo chinguru inere ko ibintu bira na maiga so again to carrying there is no reason that we can implement mangana a university funding within a year no call the people with you enda na barabo kora public participation ngora na barabo where they as abantu bakubona gaps chire rectify those gaps until they can be completely free even if it takes 3 years to implement the third year don't rush it because you think utorengere na haya serikali nini serikali wale ndio makokora bantu bakora kende kwanza gutuldo
gosuguma kirege koreka
ne chingu inereme cyane to bwate
yangobulia se point igwa kwana ase mi ekeka kimi yakebere omanyi kulusi abantu mpaka bachake go protest mpaka batagete go cha parliament baba and parliament but wona ne batagete go cha state house ase ekeka kimi yakebere do you want to tell igonkwa bwata bantaba in the first place
no nabura nyole one tutaitukira nasichukura chiarete
lakini yerore kaniri ndotaira na yerore kaniri
manyete you will be nabura nyole to yire tichikura lakini obekwekero but in the process we can stake ro okora egento
win abantu
you win the people so we are not talking in terms of na kiwo sichikura kiabede
whatever happened na erore kerogo
the fact remains we have one president, His Excellency the President William
Ruto.
He was sworn in.
There is
nothing you do.
Okay.
For the next
5 years.
Is the president. Emechando na gotevia ni the system ya KK ya Kenya Kwanza government. Itagete bintu byo pibirenga liba bwate babikora within 1 year. And in the process banyora chisheri ba cross was policies ba cross policies banyora ba bwata a lot of gaps. Chinyingi. Usumundu taka, for example. Mtu amanyete naki privatization yego takere okona serikali kon kiprasado je serikali. Parliament inja watese ese. So they went back to parliament bakaruhusia say yapa
parliament.
Meaning the government na bekonia kiprasado without the say of parliament. They never did public participation. People managed. So ekaro mwagenda mwa convince abachumbe mwarushye gintekyo. That's why God in the parliament to what emyaka yonse na kolere siasa na nakora parliament.
Eremune.
Timendo sinigida na kendiri. Timendiri da.
Abantu bagolire bare.
Yani this is the worst parliament. And I think Kenya nende kanto konyora parliament kendiri ende bebuni.
Ekiagana mbago bwatu majiko.
Yani they are not interested in wananchi at all. Kasi yabo ba UCDF ba chere ground ba cha kokole ndike. Eki ndara kole point hiyo. Ekero ba rules privatization hiyo. Babunge bakora tikendi they accepted. Wananchi buka ba chire koti. Eki na kiamenyire koti myake yebere. Koti ya tebire sheria ye actimu aroseti nembere. So that process must go back.
Maya.
We have already lost 2 years. Kweli ama uongo? So all the time when much wa appeal, this time is it?
Chinkakiti awere.
Chinkakingina kwa jire. So almost the same thing with happened in amangana ye Chinyomba. Chinyomba nchare kwa chunga kiyo. So the house went on. So you should have now carried the people with you. Utakena ki evidenga livia ne na kitoko kwa toko si police ikra ajena kitoko rosi act na mtokonya rosi gae nye tutre wananchi. If Kenyan say no, wachana nayo, you can't force Kenya the consumers of what you are doing na Kenya onyo muntu rage oigotire
ngoro kale bon ngoro kale
again tunabakira abekia abora nyore mbararora convince them if they say no kale
gose na inde na bigindu kira abekia lakini timing
precise
engaginero bonto ko kereta itali yeye ikigera ntubade mtokoro ka priorities munaboniga almost 80% y'abantu bakuru chiskuru iko balisiko. This is not the time kwale ucha kototolera bintu na housing. Ekiagara taikiro mondo no ebate bane jigasi wo create taikiro mondo kole te gasi ya blambing ibintu nebi ibintu bya ucha fa maigari
bane byo bolimo mana engineer by profession.
Yes.
How comes tinda nyora gasi ende yonsi ya engineer
kwa begire tenda
na ibaji tangasi
turachirora lakini kwa nyomba naro lijiaga jiro njire yose kisumuga nchiro chiaga jiri
kisumu chiaga ndete aduru maino mabei kwa chiro legusia
ngaya
kwa rodi ngasi chiro tangasa na tutagete chitenda chuko
tinarora endnarora
ai kwana kora sba tangasa na tutagete chikama
I don't want to lie tinda lakini nyomba chiaga te kuangajo.
The houses being constructed in some places. It is the continuation of Chinyomba Chirichari.
Okay.
Chi foundation stone Chiria so mwesimiwe at the president, His Excellency the President ya kolere. Njiraja akakuruzi.
Industrial park naro le lakini na industrial park most yo sokoli ne chiba sije county checha kiri uchiagacha serikali netra deliver pesa hicho ya mirana arora no hega naro che account ya kisi naro cha ba MC bakwanda kuligiriria somewhere asichibekire. Yeah.
Industrial park ya ko ganyori sironga. The last time na ile to nege itana nyore tege bekiraria ali netentero mbacha agite kwagacha
na ararire babwa the foundation lakini basically jibe stro chi serikali account yale ku 250 million ne serikali nene 250 lakini major yu kero koligereria okoranga ne county level area.
It's okay so long as ya chakire let's hope that it will be ne che korekane lakini then it has taken some time but if it happens it's okay again do na keria I don't think you care what much opposition because the original county yale kulikiweza at the national government so it was not yale kuna wananchi so they could do that lakini bintu mbili yale kuna wananchi ne kibono bya kwa gacha wechi nyomba ibintu bibuna one for example onya ababunge barenge jenini inki bali wanchire serikali ya sekonia amali ya serikali without involving ababunge yani bagusainia
lakini
yani bagoteguna ki na bono tutake tujikonia mali ya serikali lakini tutake parliament yechime itie act iyo nende bali itia abuna babunge bale
good torori ne problem ne rasaba bunge to tuma abo togende ase executive abantu bande bagoteba abantu asina tole gukwana muntu nagamagotebanga ama emeli ekerete go sink mostly go sink teya majale isiko konye sink ali asoire ime yani bono eyo korokineki ekero mwacha kiri kurwana kuruime you are more likely gotagendra anywhere than ekero moguru tujisara kurusiko uskuri riboni ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza ya butokire katikati mo deputy ale gocha no murahi wensa ale gocha do you thinking mbachi como rusiororo very soon but the next week como mobekira bale impeachment motion eva correct signature by today challenge goes into something 240 something. Do you think it's going to happen 90? What are the implications choko rusirikatika shagwa sekerukeri?
Number one, as impeachment. As impeachment. Chisigine chicho kwa kuna chisigine chanchile 280. Ndora chirora.
Eto gwete nanchiro.
Ukuigwa. Na ende propaganda ne jinge kabo.
Of course.
Omundu nabago tebina.
To bwate miata.
Abokoro kisa karandi gete 240.
Koruga iga korunsa to mai.
Mate ga ne kere.
Boss kere play.
Bari jenni gato bekere chisigine chicha bachumbe bo speed ba sign sigine chasi because getting 300 it means in the entire parliament and I can tell you bono iga nimanyita babunga ane 40 bari batai isigine chiya betai ne batachi waka kekero ababunga na bari 349 including nominated ones umana kwa 300 149 boka batigarete which I don't believe because osakubara na embali bakubwate sigachago buka banyene oranya baikira 920 okomenta abandi bichipo chipati chinde what they bear in mind but if and then at be if the president Ruto atarete kuimpeach Gachagua it will go through
abakumurusyo
ekronkuliriyete kariba and the quality y'abachumbe tubwate
nabikunyarikana
because bachumbe tubwate ni quality they will class amagebo na why and for what purpose and then back kogenda ko dipete gentekyo obwate sheri ko boboli na ki gross issues chirichiragere
arusugwe mu deputy arusijiri
amangana against was gross violation of
the constitution corruption muna utumike chibe sabobe
misuse of whatever
nigago divide ya Kenya against triple lines
atigago tebi ekina kibono kire ekina kibono getamo rusio because gago teba mweshimu mulima what's wrong with that
but trend
jibuno mwana karaigwa jibuno mwana siasa batebanda kingusi ndwete eshimu abagusi what's wrong with that
could be nothing depending on youth politically.
No. We are now trying to face the reality. The question is, if we go through the government hierarchy, about symbolic green senior positions, serikali ya Ruto. Can you compare them our brothers from the Rift Valley?
No.
Can you compare them with our brothers from the mountain?
No.
Abanta bange with the Rift Valley. Bagwatiwa na banto wa Mount Kenya. Abakusimba hiyo. So who does those appointments?
Okay, no mara ibwense.
So who is more tribal?
Oyale tribal in terms of gukwana mangana no oyale tribal in terms of
actual actioning.
So once be onye rigati ka kurwa, then the other one nere na went to go prepare nere went to kurwa at the same time.
Is politics of supremacy.
Okay.
Siasa yotaka korokia
Na ningo mutindi.
Ningo munene ningo moke. Ichivu ndilina onye nende na whatever. If the president wants Gachagua out, again together konye Gachagua koti. Lakini if it is terms of members of parliament,
Ngorusi gwali. Okay.
Onya rekogende senate na bako koraki.
Na bako murusi. Ekira na bate numbers.
Na bate numbers. Again tutamanye. Easy eko
ekoti. Ekira ekoti na muna bono mu governor Meru. Na bono mo peke. For the time being.
I can assure you court we can definitely.
Karatiga.
Tegera turabwati era mwa erigwe ya 1 month or 2 months na ende bachikura gamba kali karo lakini hata wati madarakande because he's been isolated.
Muchando kiura habororo ekero Gachagua rusi gwororo. Ekerero Gachagua ko bolia banto na gosale ko kwana ngam. Iko mwakiritiru to jikura singi mumwanje te gose mwakirita singi ncho yane. Enri bolia ko bapoli. According to you, do you think eba antoba kiritiru to jikura kuru mulima asingi njo bamwanje te mono gose na singi ncho yumuntu balengo.
Osakuli bono kwa konyora. Umuntu lenge namba running mate ya Ruta ariko bumugusi. Are you suggesting chikura chiria Ruta nyorete Mount Kenya almost 3.8 million votes. Ngucho kuchinyora ngichonse. Are you suggesting umuntu yolinge namba ibere ta what supporters taimanga namba ako bana 400 vote 400,000 vote. So 400,000 kwa ndio kuchirusa 3.8 ag.
Acha the difference.
400,000 iji nanga kwa konyora ngara endele ila talinge mutu. So at least ekerobo chori running mate numanye tena na what something ya current on the table. Na ba rente chikura abararende chibese chikambe. So ekero Excellency President William Ruto aleko chora Gachagua na manyiti what Gachagua was bringing on board. But the ANC asarende onye basi nyanire. Personally, my personal feelings. The President yaga kolega siae.
Gachagua anakuoga sakuwa goji
aganye 2027 achori running mate ngao togende chikura abakenya bali
aba bunge palia angefoti bali bakwana nga batagete the other guy yokoro kwanga nere kisure kindiki agero kopima babere hakito irane none chingagijiria bale ko chora ngoko bo deputy president ochiase mheshimiwa Ruto. In terms of politics ya Kindiki ne ya Gachagua na bwato monwa. Korode, Kindiki is an introvert kind of a person. Na ende niga akurwa Mount Kenya East tayo. Na Gachagua Mount Kenya West. Korode. Osukubeka chi East na West yeye, West ne bwate chinguru.
West ne bwate chinguru not na bantaba mo. This is the first time tura reva ko divided. But otherwise they rejected their own son Oguru. And they all went together, including the Tundu.
Asomora Yaguru.
So there is nothing. Chances are they will either all of them support Ruto in 2027 or they will all reject him. But imagining na nende noche kuna chana abantu barigati is not possible. Abachumbe abange mbanje tu muntu le docile.
Dosa no montole ore igotu tabuati.
So this is exactly abachumbe bali ba engo ba roche in terms of Kindiki akalenga lyo na utoko mo controlling ndwani trakini yo nkorenga inaka
abwato monwa
abwato busumoni nakali uzuno muikoyo yakagenda azgoto
gotomina.
That's why they went for Kindiki. But unfortunately the president himself knew inkyo yale Clinton bo
perhaps chisiringi gose bintu bine gose n'abantu umuntu
uyo ye ingenjari kurama
the former president
government which Kindiki could not do. So probably that's what he wanted to achieve that time.
Okay.
Now that that has been achieved, wana baranyereta bwatienepa vision ya mutakere.
But
according to me, and then I was a president. iba kuna kalenda abantu abanga paka na Mount Kenya yikwange mono forget about your mangana Gachagua aiwika kwa beto aiwika buru takosereti
paka gakore ntunda ya
paka gakore ntunda ya nenda paka gakuruga tanga uganza gutanga tanga kwerigeria gutanga kwao gwagokonyete ikaro chikura cyagete 2022 naye with all fairness
amutigane one question no
na ringe morengo uyo
okay.
And at the same time, even being in the road, that is not what a reader worthy. But because of the treatment, they are actually forcing him a lot of sympathy.
Let me ask you. Gachagua go step out. Is he stepping out here? Weka go say stepping out na bantu ba Mount Kenya.
He will step out with Mount Kenya. It might not be 100%, it might not be 90%, but if he steps out, he will step out with a substantial. I don't want to say that it will be 100%, but he will step out with a substantial.
Okay.
There are people. One, barate serikali tira bakora kendi, abandi batebe you mistreated Gachagua, abandi baro supporters Gachagua.
Gen Z is already a step out you mind.
Gen Z is already den Kenya ngema talking
to kwana tu assess trojirende sa bwata 100% ili abwa tororo already Gen Z simbaro ba step out yesinga jatra bakora meremo na kuba meremo. Igo ine fact inde ko ba considered. Na Gachagua nere ko sokare with a portion. Ande mbali bali ba ko sokana borobuna we are not satisfied. Ba nyokurwa na jise
Exactly. Politics is a perceptional game. Abantu mboro bakorenda naki abantu abakorenda na Gachagua. Banziri kubwatu kwiruko koti. Bamana kwenda batana ke. You remember engakiyo mwishimi wa Uhuru. Abantu mboro bari gutana no mwishimi wa Ruto lirare di president.
Na probabiko including Gachagua yo.
Including Gachagua. Baganza kumiki woji koti. So exactly what Uhuru did to you is what you are exactly doing to Gachagua. Sympathy. Why do you think Kenyans are Gachagua sympathy?
Okay. In fact, ndenera Raila Odinga osoire imase gaiga. Again to kinkate SMA yomra ibu seboni gege kuba is the coming in of Raila. He feels in an nabwati chinamba from the lakeside and perhaps balibako support Raila. So that na Lucy cha Mount Kenya still he has numbers. Do you think there's a factor?
Oyo mugo kwa na nere. No muntu ba format NDP na Raila in 1997.
Aye.
Nche yondo cha. So I've been with Raila for all those years. I've supported him as a target ko bodi chikura. Chubo president. Apart from 2002 when we supported Kibaki.
Kwa bere magaya.
I have voted for him. But I can tell you for free. If 2027 comes, if he stands for president, I will not vote for him. People feel betrayed by Raila. I don't even want to know Mangana agency. I'm saying those of us who have supported Raila, we have worked with him all through, and we have seen him as our leader, and we have seen him as a transformative leader.
Yeah.
His act because of Yamagana AU.
Yeah.
He wants to be a chairman of AU. It has forced him to go back and hide for the purpose. And you support Yesereka. We supported him, but he should have kept quiet. But going into that system, last year 2023 agatubeka chipara tokarorobekana ruto nomobe abantu bagasoe para people died chipara because serikali yale and that government has not improved at all. And then he goes in and we look at it because of personal benefit.
Okay.
So therefore there is number narrow and substantial like me, which will not
associate
with him.
Abantu bari bagote abaiga. By next year mutinyo kabere Raila na bataire kirogeke. So obwanchani bwaye na Ruto niko bari short lived. In that abantu korwa Nyanza mate onyo murai yobo yore Raila Odinga takwire kia AU their support to serikali yeye will move back. Could it be true?
I don't know. But personally, you only wish Raila nyore kia AU.
But is it practical?
No, it could be practical. Why not? Why not?
How? Guarara jikora mnenjera jibagiralia chinse chicha francophone countries chinse cha aba Islamu and stuff enjera babigete chikura.
Let me ask you, chinse cha Afro countries. How many are there in Africa?
I can't tell the exact number.
No, there are 21.
Yes.
There are 21. Out of these 21, 5 inchiro chita vitu waka chikura. Because they have been suspended in
17. 17.
Out of these 17, are you telling me Rwanda will not vote for Raila? Kagame Nsamwi. Are you out of this? Are you suggesting
Tshisekedi Burundi
personal friend ya Raila?
No, wakumwake.
Russia another one. That's what I'm telling you, that number ya Afro whatever.
Usijire 34 votes chile. Abone to konyora irenga. Roughly.
2/3 whatever. That you must get no monto yo mugeka no ba one. You must get I think 34 36 something like that.
Votes, yeah.
Out of the 54. Out of the 54. So that's what I'm telling you.
Chances in Chiro.
To me chances in Chiro. Number one, Chinsinchiro mind na Kenya by virtue of the foreign policy ya Kenya. For example, our Kenya, we have gone ahead and supported Israel. South Africa is not happy. As much as Ramaphosa is a personal friend to Raila, but Kenya
as a country
foreign policy yaye na vera agechi mundu yo South Africa takaraki
tanya
so we don't know. That's why now let me say it's 50-50.
Okay.
So I am not telling you like in my personal feeling Mwako is my friend. Ganya Rekirogia AU again the Miake Yene as a kind of Miakene, it will be around some 384. That's a good number of years.
You could tie.
That's okay. It is one way you new leaders in Kenya. Because the moment, of course, which is the point in the whatever as a Kobatanya or Kirogari. Asama Kenya by Kirabunaya. Raila Betanya or Kirogari 2 February next year. Evertanya Raila Neka. Now I feel an arrow you dear me. But it's his stature. There are chances, because I know the Raila, the man. There are chances. Asakuira na inse, atine nejikura,
Rabina ambiring.
Nabako na mbivere. Monto Kenya kawa number 1. Ruto would be number 3.
Are you sure?
That's my analysis. That's my analysis. I know as much as Singo Tabatinu Raila Kura.
Yeah.
He has quite a number of supporters who believe in him, including Saito, including my constituency, including my ward.
Yeah.
There are quite a number who will still go with him. So he will now he might lose almost 1 million votes.
Yeah.
Out of this 7 million, he might come to 6 million more. But if Esegi Yagachagwa again, maybe assume Baka.
To chukura mwaka 2027
because of the frustration yeve chisegi chinkongo garana bibalia full impeachment tiga ngendeka omuntate nekuru Mount Kenya oyine roko ba number 1.
Okay.
Raila be number 2. So tindo chikore
Raila kago
chumurai wense bona iga.
Okay.
Because siasa ya Kenya nyingi gere
tribal. Ntrai kali soko tabanga bona to atigiro boke nyomba kan.
And then the determining factor. Asabanta ba uchi gotenena. Where will the Gen Z go?
Nkiba tugotenera na ningo bara support.
Ingo bara support.
Ekiaga na brobu babiri bago support.
Because I can tell you 100% sure about support the current president.
No Raila taimono.
No Raila, there is question mark. So whoever comes from the other side.
Nera we catch go change the dynamics.
Anyore yeah change dynamics.
Okay.
Like anyore it is the common as konya I'm assuming. Assuming nkachagwa otiga achiko tenda chikura. Amana konya rambali na
Kalonzo nani?
Na Kalonzo na the current president and Raila. You will be surprised even the Gen Z again coming to Raila.
Kato kore deka, unto kora manganaya ekiagera
among that group.
Yeah.
Because majority of the young generation went to Ruto during the last elections. Yeah? Quite a number. But from the way things have done, and chances of that generation coming back to him, the generation is Raila born.
Okay.
Like his behaviors for the last
months, to be a sarige. Kato kore deka. Kato kore deka. Elinde torole na hindinga kinde na ndituligi baka na nditoko solia mangana ya.
Bali kulige combination nyingi ya. Na ende baba tene matiangia tene.
Na ba murwani segiga na baje mumu kwa kiro monto. Lakini egetikara ko you don't go there expecting kebe easy.
So that egetige onchukane. Tujikonyo good combination.
Biamono. Last word please in a fraction of a second.
Ongo sababa Kenya tuwabeta tutwara umurembe. Iyi siasa tubase gukwa tuzo support particular individual.
Yes.
Individual sabo support Raila udeli etanete na Ruto balenge
lero no baramo.
Kachago nera balenge na Ruto lero kando. So any common mwananchi mo etana na mochoge
asingi umuntu ende
ase usupport umuntu gete.
Okay.
Iyi siasa namba the opinion you want to respect that opinion.
Okay.
Yona ari kubasaba batwara umulembe.
Okay. Biamono kigima. Mungwano kuru kwa Stafford akora biamono kigima. Abatabanaligiretie omurobiri ogweke umbu mugaroba yabono biamono Stafford akora atabanoligiretie chinga mnechiga biamono mongi na bweskimu naye na wakere biamono gotabanoligiretie omurobiri oyo chinga mnechiga chabonega. Chitaka chamyokire chitaka 12 igoro ichinsa inye chimagroba yabono biamono kigima tigango na inde tokora mangana ya goika chinga kichinde muntu nale igana ero gonchegia akotabana tike kebati as well engineer producers you are not left isiko akoro kwa Chris Arogo ataba John Kebati na engineer ne producer you Rabigali na bande bonsi biamono butuko obia and stay safe biamono kigima Arogo na yo butuko obia kigimaiga tigana indi tokoro murobiri oyo litukulindiga Jumamosi ekarature roberi na inde tole taba keni bandi nditukwanira mangana sia sarta ikoera paka ka mwaka w'ijuru 2022 na isano na ibere tochora paka ni bandi aba ibanda abagiye na indi tusuku mu butyo tonyakorera butambe tolera mangane chae tolera mangane kahwa kila lituko tonyakorera bono na botwa chorire obugima boitego biamono kigima eyekoro kwa Ndizi TV incheni gonkuru kwa John Kebati
biamono
kigima